nigga yeah ni wa muhungu w'umurwa yeah what's up Kigali let's go yeah hakuka wishidikanya shaka shakutele kucho walotaka zosi zawe zikidimamo wowe biri tuyubonye fungulo hakuka wishidikanya shaka shakutele kucho walotaka zosi zawe zikidimamo wowe biri tuyubonye fungulo hakuruka wikina chakisha ikintu ukora rekana no guhinda isi ni mu gahinda nabonye abantu benshi batakaje icyizere barakubitwa cyane bakabaye baceka iby'iyi minsi ubona ejo siko bihora nyamara byibuze gerageza upfurindwanya ukwishinga y'uwundi ayawe ngo asigare amaraso umuntu ava burya nawe niyumva umwuka ahumeka nawe niwe uhumeka umuntu akize ate wowe ukennye gute ngaho tekereza ahangaha urwane n'igisubizo indushyi z'ikigali uba wibaza uko zibaho kandi hari abarya gatatu baba birizariza karonda k'umutindi burya apfa kuba atarwaye ejo muzabisika n'ujya ubona nahamwaye mu gihe babatunzi bino bahora bahuma yahurira agahuma niyo wenda nta gahunda hari igihugu bitana n'umugisha w'ibunza switi ntigukange rahura n'ingeri zose nibwo ubona ko nta gisekeje ureka imishinyiko najyaga numva kera nk'iyo sakiza urakira ariko nkabona hari n'abava mu batindi bakaza bagafata bagatunga bikagwira hari n'abandi mbona bakomoka mu ngaga bakamagirwa ukabona bapfuye urw'agahinda use tuvuge ko hari ibyo baba birengagije cyangwa ibanga riba ribitswe n'umubyeyi ukuzi iyi minsi ntabyo isano rekana na suhuma nyarukira ku rukada birutse imbura ibyo batsimbye yije nazo n'iy'umwuka yushwashwasura hunahuna abatuzi icyenda batubonye twiruka imihanda kibunoma amaguru bamwe banapfuka amababa shitani ni umukobanyi ameze nka serukiranyi niba ujya kwihagarika ukabanza ugasura menya ko ushaje reka kwimaringa mu mihanda inzara iravuza ubuhuha ku nyandiko nk'izi zihora zikumirwa ngo isi yasubiye ibwana kibuga cyafashwe bugwate nabo b'uburofa hakuka wishidikanya shaka shakutele kucho walotaka zosi zawe zikidimamo wowe biri tuyubonye fungulo hakuka wishidikanya shaka shakutele kucho walotaka zosi zawe zikidimamo wowe biri tuyubonye fungulo musoja mu mirwa nafunga umwuka nagupapa nakima afite zose akazitanga ngatabare nakuye imbaraga mu manongo nzahure hadiko bana bo mu rugo nibaze basome kuri izi nyandiko barapikise kandi nk'imishwi irashya urutoki yahumva byinshi uzibe urekura ibikwiye nushaka uca amarenga wahawe amatwi asumva ibikiranye ibibazo bivanzemo imihiriko abyara upigapiga zizinukwe zibikwame iyi rapu ni nk'umukwege ndatutubiza byabageneho bakirengagiza nubwo batabikina ariko baba babibonye ndimo ndomonganira mu misozi y'i Kigali imyotsi biracumba mu bibuno by'ibipeti nirwiziringaho cometse masika ibizinga akenshi iyo udatinya burya ugera ku ntsinzi nirupfa kwayo ubutabitse musigira ishyundu nibyinshi tsimbye kuri taburo yanjye y'ubwonko ni kwa kurekura bunyibunye si ndimwihangana ushaka ikibazo atera urutoki muha ijambo mugabanya akarindi twabaririye ubunyano hakuka wishidikanya shaka shakutele kucho walotaka zosi zawe zikidimamo wowe biri tuyubonye fungulo hakuka wishidikanya shaka shakutele kucho walotaka zosi zawe zikidimamo wowe biri tuyubonye fungulo hakuka wishidikanya shaka shakutele kucho walotaka zosi zawe zikidimamo wowe biri tuyubonye fungulo.
The Truck Slayer.
Smartphone yawe yaraguhenze none ngo uyishyize mu maboko atabyigiye ngo bayigukorere oya yishyira abatekinisiye b'umwuga ba Isatec iherereye mu mujyi kwa Makuza ahateganye n'umusigiti bayigukorere kinyamwuga muri Isatec bakora telefoni z'ubwoko bwose muri serivisi zikurikira: gukora cyangwa gusimbura bateri, gusimbura screen yangiritse, gukora cyangwa gusimbura aho ucomeka sharijeri kuri telefone charging port, gukora kamera itagikora neza cyangwa kuyisimbura. Tunagufitiye abatekinisiye bakora za projecteri kandi uzadusangana accessoires za telefone nka covers, chargers, screen protectors, camera protectors. Sanga Isatech ku mbuga nkoranyambaga za Instagram, TikTok na Facebook. Wanaduhamagara kuri 0785 104 091.
Banyarwandakazi, ku munsi wa none ndababoneye igisubizo. Ese waba ukeneye umuntu wagukorera ibikoresho byo mu nzu harimo nka TV stand, ibikoni byo mu nzu bigezweho, amagarderobe, imiryango igezweho, utubati, yewe si ibyo gusa, yubaka n'ama office, akanubaka n'amafarumasi ndetse n'ibindi byinshi bitandukanye. Uwo nta wundi ni Cedric Furniture. Umushaka wamusangana mu Gakinjiro ka Gisozi muri Adarwa. Ku bindi bisobanuro wahamagara nimero uri kubona kuri ekra yawe cyangwa se ukadukurikirana kuri Instagram kuri Cedric Furniture and Interior Design.
Bakubwiye Eric Tech yaje nk'igisubizo ku banyarwanda.
Nari mfite ibibazo by'ibikoresho byanjye by'ikoranabuhanga byari byarananiye pe.
Ariko nagereye kwa Eric Tech ibikoresho byanjye byose by'ikoranabuhanga karakemutse.
Eric Tech ubu ndishimye ni wabyumva.
Kwa Eric Tech bazananjye sankara ajya gukoresha.
Tubafite ibikoresho
ni naho tugurira ibikoresho byose za laptop, desktop, amakamera zino za CCTV cameras
yabiri by'amanyarwanda ndetse n'itagendanwa cyangwa desktop guhera ku bihumbi 80.
Ntabwo ari ibyo gusa, tubafite CCTV cameras zicunga umutekano wawe cyangwa se mu kazi kawe. Ibikoresho byose by'ikoranabuhanga byananiranye tubikora mu kanya nk'ako guhumbya bikaba bishya
mu masegonda make cyane. Kwa Eric Tech
akira abanyeshuri bashya mu bijyanye na IT, electronics ndetse
kandi igitangaje kwa Eric Tech bigisha computer ariko ku mafaranga make cyane
n'ibindi
ku giciro nk'icy'umuneke
hagati y'isoko na station
cyangwa se mu mujyi kwa Rubangura.
Ni mutugane tubafashe kuko dufite ibikoresho byongera ubumenyi bwanyu.
Amarembo yacu arakinguye.
Ku bindi bisobanuro hamagara nimero ziri kuri ekara yawe.
Nimero nizo ngizo 0782510099 Eric Tech niwe muvugana noneho. Urumva ibaza nawe sankara aho mbavuze ni banyarwanda mujyana abana banyu kwa Eric Tech bakora iki bahinduke ba Bill Gates biga computer quand même encore présent. Aya arachaye da premier for real Filiba yiswe ngwici bayise take cover bagaba nka Scott Adkins batiga muri nyinshi cyane usigi signature signature ubwo mugiye kuriraho ngo ntago yize. Urumva signature bona batiguye ntushaka kuvuga signature amacha impacha uko bishaka. Urumva bona batiguye yiswe take cover bashaka kuna kumwita boy kama zenda kulitwa Scott Adkins.
Do you believe in God?
Ati wizerera mu Mana tangira ruvuga abaza mugenzi ngo do you believe in God?
Fuck you.
Kiryaga panda.
Completely serious.
Are you serious cyane?
Fuck you.
Ngabze ngo kiryaga panda. Ntabagabo ebyiri. Bari kuri za by nature bazabyashomeri.
You do your usual and blather on about
Ati mwana nukamangamira kenshi nimo mu kazi nkaka ntago bashaka umuntu uvugisha amagambo menshi.
gorgeous babes in hot.
Ndabona imbere y'abana batoya nabasnipe ebyiri yo kuganira.
Oh yeah, right.
Ndakumva mwana ibyo uvuga no kuri.
Everything I want to do while lying next to you.
Ata kenshi ibyo nshaka gukora byose akenshi bashaka kubikora nkuryamye iruhande.
Envision nude women to the point of arousal.
Akenshi nirebera nk'abagore bambaye ubusa turi kumwe mwana bari atari.
I didn't make it weird. I'm just not.
Kana nakuvuga ibintu bidasanzwe.
Suggestion, that's all.
Okay, fine.
Byo sawa ntacyo bitwaye.
Baseball or something.
Basiganira uburyo twagiye kuri match ya baseball cyangwa ibindi.
Baseball's boring as fuck.
Mana baseball iraboa. So umupolisi ari marafabuna mudamu bikoreye akambwiye ati
The only thing more boring about baseball?
ikintu kiboa kuri baseball.
Talking about baseball.
Ati abantu bavuga nka baseball bayiganiraho.
Random bunkmates.
Ati bana twe turi inshuti magara.
Luck of the draw.
Ntabwo turi bunkmates.
I don't believe in luck.
Ntabwo nizera mahirwe. Usibye ko nizera mu Mana no mugembwe ati I don't believe in luck but I believe in God.
But you do believe in God.
Ese bazo je wizera mu Mana. Niba utizera mahirwe. Araka Scott Adkins. Yesu Kristo.
Talk about this, huh?
Bari binago twakabaye tubiganiraho. Ese wowe wizera mu Mana basi.
I don't know.
Ntago mbizi.
Why I'm asking. I'm just
Sinzi mpamvu uri muri ambazi bigusa.
wondering about it all, I guess.
All right, okay.
Sawa nta kibazo byo wizera byose ntacyo bitwaye.
And when did this happen? Was it when you were up to your chin in tits and ass at some whore?
barasiriza mbere n'abasirikare bombi ariko ntabwo wambaye imyenda ya gisirikare wasanga n'abacancuro atsuko zaura muri Bangkok bizagenda neza.
Think about this shit.
Si mwana ageze utekereza ko uzakora kuva na mbere.
What? God and shit? No.
Imana n'umwana bihuriye wapi mwana ngo ntekereza ko umunsi umwe zabari mu nakora kano kazi.
Why are you interested in this all of a sudden?
Ese basi ugeze ubigira amatsiko y'akazi tuzakora umunsi umwe.
It's natural to wonder about the job.
Ati ni bisanzwe gushidikanya ku kazi.
I know you don't.
No.
Ndabizi ko utajya bitekerezaho.
Wanna know why?
Nshaka kwibaza impamvu nanjye.
Because
Hasi ararasa ngo bari myigaragambyo bano bari kuri za binacura.
you're an ass.
Asshole.
Akazi kose nakora akapfa kuba kari productive. Ikibi ukora akazi kari non productive
course not.
katabyara umusaruro. Niko kabaza teko cyo kamaze.
So, what do you think happens after we die?
None se mwana jya ibaza ikizaba nyuma y'uko dupfuye.
Nothing happens.
Nta kijya kiba no se azaba iki.
Nothing?
Ntacyo.
No.
Nta na kimwe.
Alive. Dead.
Chonzi cyo nuko umuntu abari muzima mu nyuma agapfa nyuma yaho rero sinzi biba. Nibyo nabindi.
You believe in nothing?
Kuki wizera ngaho nta kizabaza.
I say.
Ntago ari byo navuze.
Exactly what you
No,
just
no,
said.
I
Nibyo wavuze mbati wimvugira ibyo navuze.
say that. What I said
Winamika amagambo mwana.
happens after we die.
Icyo navuze nuko nta kiba nyuma yuko dupfuye. Kuko already batwapfuye ntago uzi ibikurikira.
So, what is it?
None se niki kiba?
Do or you don't believe?
Nuko utizera cyangwa nuko wizera.
Pick one.
Remember
Hitamo
what
kimwe.
the doctor said when somebody hands you a weapon and claims it's not loaded?
Ati mwana uzukuntu byemera kenshi mfatse intwaro ugiye ku rugamba mu nyuma ukabona ko itari loaded inama zasarimo.
Verify then trust?
Atari ko mu gisiga batwigishije ikintu kimwe verify and then trust. Ujye ubanza verify intwaro wikoreye hanyuma wizera uyigwaye ariko amaze gukora iki ku verify. Muri make ntugahabwa intwaro ugiye ku rugamba ngo upfe kwizera ko iri loaded. Tabanje ku verify.
Go.
Tangiye gutekereza neza.
God. Still waiting for verification.
Rero nanjye ugiye kumbaza iby'Imana, Imana nzabanza verify ko ari bone mbone gukora iki myizeri.
Yeah, I hear that.
Ibyo ndabyumva.
Sometimes.
Rimwe na rimwe njya nibaza.
Hello. We got movement.
Bana ndabona hari umuntu utamubuja.
Black SUV.
Ndabona imodoka ya black SUV. Imodoka irinzwe.
Fucker.
Musenzi ndamubona.
You sure this is our guy?
Ndakeka rero tugomba kurasa.
Like he's lost a lot of weight.
Mana barananutse nimba ari nawe.
Positive.
Hano hari abanyamakuru benshi batandukanye.
I think he might be right.
Ndakeka ushaka kubyo uvuga ari ukuri.
Time.
Tujye dukora ibirori rero.
Mercs. This prick brought his own private army.
Musenzi yazanye ingabo ziri private.
Does it look?
We got a lot of eyes on this, but yeah.
Ndabona hari abantu benshi batandukanye. Hazi n'imodoka nayo ku ruhande. Umuntu uje baza ari umuntu ukomeye sinzi ashinzwe iki. Haza undi mukobwa ku ruhande nawe urinzwe. Ava mu yindi modoka.
Oh.
Wow.
Woohoo!
Kane atware bwana.
Oh shit.
Mwanda.
Oh my god, that must be his newest toy.
Banza agakinisho gashaje kari agakobwa. Turakwamaganye umwicanyi. Umugabo bari kwamagana. Kobwa cyangwa ari professional.
He's just with him because of his winning personality, don't
Nta wamenye byuri ya mukobwa urumva nayo yari cyamuzanye.
more than we make.
Nta mukobwa uva gurana umugabo nta giciro gihari. Tayari kwa rubanda.
Northwest.
Zirasomana.
3 miles per.
Mutangira kumbara hano miles sasu byagendamo.
Copy that.
Ndakumva.
Zoning in.
Ndemana ndakurura neza. Tayari umugabo. Umugabo banza kwitsa umutima. Bare yukarasa. Muvandi bikore. Ari amarwa yacu yonyine. Yararashe umugabo. Kumbe. Umukobwa. Yaritambitse abari baha. Barizo bana imbunda. Mwanda. Rashe umukobwa kurasa umugabo. Manda mwishe mwana. Ntago murashaka cyahumeka.
God, focus.
Man focusing arasa. Ndasubira mwana dukeneye.
He's not leaving her. She's not just a fuck.
Ntago ari vejura umukobwa.
Good hand.
Mwana fikira focus ku kiganza cyawe. Pima urutwe rw'umugabo. Ngabanza kwitsa imitima. Yewe, aramurasha murasiye karubanda.
Take the shot.
Pima mwana. Umeka. Umwice.
God damn it, you have to take.
Vuba. Oh.
Bingo.
Kiza cyane.
That's a confirmed kill.
Sawa no turamurangije bive muze tucomoke.
Fine. Tell me.
Mwana gira vuba vuba. Barangije. Bati ibikoresho byabo. basore ebyiri basore bato jobira abasirikare barabonye bari bari hejuru muri etaje nabo bazamuka hejuru bakurikira abamaniga turore bayise take cover. Vuba cunguza uburyo umwete raka basore ebyiri. Nanda bageraho u Rwanda ruherera mani turanaburije urebeka muri Beirut bakongera tukabikora bwana dushaka ikintu cy'ishuka mani muri Beirut nagishuka yakoze mani navunitse ku kirenge none yarayana cyane haraguru muri Beirut ngo bajya bakoresha amashuka imitaka ariko amashuka y'ubwoko bwa silky shit. Basore zivayo binjira hakuno nta mutaka bari kuri etaje hejuru mani nkurikire dan turore baratse hayo mama cyubwacari mama jya ku ruhande bagabo zivayo mani samutuza hamwe abagara samu sinzi nindi tayare basore bana bwe
Sorry.
Ihangane mama mwihangane iyi niyo job yitwa iryankurye bete nyangwe cenye police night ezamu mumbishara abantu barasaneza harwa leta ngaza makuru bahise ba posting vuba basore baramanuka baciye mugenza waciki haca bapagasi bahenguka hakuno raka Tabara mwa basenzi mwe.
Take it easy.
Mujyaza gatse mwana.
Take it easy.
Mujyane gake.
We give up.
Basore bombi.
Thoughts?
Hari cyo gutekereza mwana. Sibye kuraburiza.
So?
Yenda gake. Tayare. Kick. Yuri. Achari wa wundi. Nakubwiye. Bagabo rindwanyi. Muri bitandatu byawe ku giti urya show nakubwiye box mangumi bagabo bose nindwanyi bapagasi mutwe biribira yabwe baraducoboka basimunda ya vuba nakubwiye filmira tuitangiye barakomeza Tinsamu. Arakora gwiki.
Trust me on this one, okay?
Ani namaya dufite nyizera mwana. Trust me on this. Bageza ha?
No. Hey.
Oya.
Call this a leap of faith.
Bane bingiye byo gufata ngaro kwizera nta kundi. Nani mahitamo. Baza hakuno. Kwambera arasimbuka. Ndamugenzi arakurikira. Bajya hakuno kugikamyo. Mbireza igishitingi. Bane barinzi bavayo. Abasenzi baza wapi? Umazane kemye bagende bagiriya. Yanya bushozi.
I told you Beirut would have worked.
Bana kuya tekereko muri Beirut yakabayikoze. Ari byabaye muri Beirut. Arakuntu bagiye gusimbuka etaje bifashishije amashuka y'ubwoko bwa silky. Sasa ko bagatashye. Bice hakuno mu ndege.
It was a good kill, Sam.
Bani Samu wapimye neza. Sasa Samu baza yisha umuntu. Base nkaho naye mwabibonye film itangira.
That woman, she was breathing.
Ati bano ya mugore warashe n'umutindo wo kwarashe mutago bakwica yarakirimo arahumeka ntago yapfuye.
I saw it.
Nabibonye mwana.
And even if she wasn't, she was lip locking with an arms dealing terrorist.
Ariko mwana kama nubwira mudamu w'abana mwishe arimo aradiringa n'ikihebe. Shaba gicuzo intwaro.
Guy was a shit.
Arms dealing terrorist.
Bird deluxe.
Aida ntakigomba kwicuza ndabyumva.
Yourself in front of the bullet to save him then, Ken.
Mane uriya mukobwa byanga byakurukuntu byagaragaye yambonye mbere yuko ndase kweze yitambikira kira kihebe.
Why would she do that?
Niya ngo batuma uriya mukobwa yitangira ikihebe. Ese ahabwa ngana iki?
Maybe she didn't.
Wasanga tana mwitangiye.
Slipped.
She didn't slip.
Yabaye accident. Ntabwo byari accident.
Right at me.
Yabanje kundeba, she was looking right at me.
She saw what I was about to do and
yabonye ibyo nangiye gukora kuko
She wouldn't know what she was looking at.
uriya mukobwa ntabwo yarazi ibyo areba. Uriya mukobwa si gisirikare yabimenya ati.
She's a hooker.
Uriya mukobwa ni abakobwa bigurisha.
A high-priced one, but...
Wasanga ari bya bikobwa wenda bimaze kuzamura ibiciro abafite amahembe agatubutse.
she threw herself in front of a bullet to
Mafaranga bwoko ahabwa ku buryo yakwitangira umuntu.
protect him.
Agasanga yamurindaga.
Now, if he was such a terrible person,
Man, umuntu nkuriya w'umunyabyaha mubi cyane.
why would she do that?
Niyo bava tumura mukobwa mwitangira.
Doesn't matter. It was was a good kill.
mani ibyo ntabwo ari ngombwa icyambere nuko wapimye umuntu twagomba kwica.
That's what we do.
ibyo ryo dukora
The first time.
mani nakumvisha bwa mbere wibisubiriramo wikomeza kubivuga buri kanya.
If he was a solid, upstanding citizen, he would have never been a target in the first place.
turiya mukobwa nawe kandi iyo aba ari umuturage usanzwe ntabwo akaba yitangiye icyifuzo ngo bose bisa nkaho bari baziranye.
If she didn't want to catch a bullet,
iyo badashaka kuraswa
she should have been in fucking bed with him.
yakaba ari mu buriri aryamye.
That makes her dirty.
bivuze ngo niyo mugore ni umunyabyaha.
It's simple.
badiringa gikisa wabonye ngo urubanza bagasobanura imbere y'itangazamakuru abantu bose yose bareba
Simple fuck.
ntacyo bikanga bari babiziranyeho. James Maniga byaramubabaje bwa mbere no kurasa mugenzi byabanje kumunanira. Tam arimo arahamagara
With it.
akira muvugane. yego kongeza amafege.
Hey Sam, I heard it was rough.
bite Sam numvise ko bitari byoroshye
Yeah.
cyane.
Okay.
meze neza se?
Yeah. Great.
meze neza cyane.
Collateral damage, Sam.
ati bayitekana nambari baramo za kajorite
You need to talk to someone.
ariko ugomba gushaka umuntu muganira.
I don't need a fucking shrink, Tam, okay?
Tam nta muntu nyeneye ntabwo nyeneye izo congo zawe unywereza nta bikorwa nyeneye biza kunturisha. sawa ndabyumva.
I'm here, but trust me, we are righteous on this.
ati ndahari rwose kandi muyizere ko ibintu twakoze byari ibyanya byari bikwiye. ntagomba kwituza ibyakoze ko umuntu utwishe twagomba kumuvana mu nzira nawe amuha akazi.
Think so?
niko biceka se?
On my life, I would not have put you in a situation like that if it weren't.
ati rwose umusore muto unyizere ndakuyoboye ntabwo naguca muri situwasiyo idahwitse cyangwa se idakwiriye. ibintu nakoze byari bikwiye.
Doesn't make it any easier, does it?
nta kintu na kimwe byanyumvisha.
Or I go down easy. So easy.
mwana bigenze gake n'ubundi byarangiye nta gisubizo inyuma.
Listen,
Sam nyumva neza.
take some time off.
banza ufate akaruhuko.
There's nothing on the horizon.
nta bintu bijya byana kenshi nk'uko tubyifuza. banza utahe mu rugo uba uruhutse.
You went and resurface, okay?
sawa ndaza gusubiza numva ameze neza. genzo yamutanze raporo yuko adatuje.
What?
ekisi
Dick.
bantu uri umuswa bro.
And?
hanyuma kuba ni umuswa mihindure y'iki? erega no kugira ubwenge ntabwo ari agahato. byazire bwatinze bavuye mu ijobu baza hakuno.
Grab a bite to eat, a beer.
reka tukajya gusangira tugasangira n'akabyeri ndatumeze neza.
I was just fucking around with all the God talk, you know.
Got nothing to...
mani naganiraga nabirenze mwana. ke nibireke
All right.
ni ba mushuti.
Why don't you come to Amsterdam?
ese mwana wazasuye muri Amsterdam
Get laid?
tukajya hasi tugadukorana imyitozo tugasangira ububyeri.
Yeah. What's wrong?
mani bifata nk'umuntu ukiri muri high school.
If you're still in high school.
rero ukiri muri high school
I understand what you're saying is that
mani ibyo mvuga nabyumva gusa.
school refusing to grow up, is that it?
mani n'ubundi ndi umuswa waze gukura ku ngufu.
Why don't you go fuck?
gukura reka ntabwo ari imbaraga wagiye ukiryaga pando.
Adult. Well,
mwana urakuze ariko ntabwo wifata nk'abantu bakuze.
Hey, you went cockeyed. It's not the first time.
ntabwo ari ubwa mbere mbwiye ayo magambo nta nubwo binantunguye ariko bibaye bizaza muri Amsterdam
Bad luck.
tukaba turi kumwe tukanjoyinga tukajyana ibihe byiza. bose basize imodoka zabo ziri hakuno tayari. job irarangira ariko mugenzi Samba mwaye akaruhuko ngo agenda abanza tuze muri we. yarashe umuntu mugenzi biramubabaza. cyakene cyo gihora muri blague ntacyo nabikibwiye. bwatinze iminsi zarageze irihirika. buriya kenshi abantu bashaka kujya muri ka vacation ava mu mujyi akajya ahantu mbari mu cyariyo. niko abantu benshi baruhuka mu mutwe ugahungura urusaku rwa Kigali kajya nyine mbari ya mbari. ariko igitangaje vana ngo giye mu karuhuko ukajya Gisenyi hari urusaku kure kurunzu rw'ubusuzi Kigali. tayare maniga yizi hakuno majama buriya wenda nka Bugesera Nyabwishongo yizi Nyaga White hirya ukagenda ukabaca impande y'inka urumva nubwo nawe hinduka menka gake ariko nta kibazo. nta muntu nutse. genzi maniga hakuno 50 aho yiwe ukoze iki aza kuruhukira fata inka hakuno akaza kwasinywe. ni therapy. ariya therapy ubwo navuga mu Kinyarwanda na no buryo bumwe bwo kuba warutuza mu mutwe. Kenya yatangiye kujya hamagara mu nshuti imbere hakuno harimo arasi ibiti tayari nakitozo. amasaha y'icuma yamara kwitunganya fata akabyeringa ibisanzwe. Buriya abantu babazi ukuntu bakorera amafaranga yabo nuko bayarya, ariko disiki buriya abanyafurika nako reka ne kutunga abantu intoki. Buriya gusirimukana ibintu bizagora abantu. Umuntu akorera amafaranga yajya kuyarya akajya kwiyica bro, ukajya kwiyahuza bya surudu wirukankwa ibiyoga ukiyica ukaza kweri amafaranga yakoriye yiki. Kumwe soga senepa ntaga ntaje kirimo unywa n'inzoga zisirimutse zisobanutse. Kumbe nyirabuja Tamara atangira guhamagara aramumyoringa. Abana baje bimizi ngo bazi icyongereza ngo muting ngo no kumumyoringa. Amaze kumumyoringa za hakuno kuzibura imbunda. Buriya ngo imbunda imaze iminsi nayo itagira iragira ikaziba arazibura itarasa. Kwa abantu baza kuruhuka hakuriye akorera amafaranga ye akiraho. Maniga haje Wolf yakuze imaze gukurira agendera hora. Shaka rero filime sasa. Maniga shiramo. Arebye Wolf kunireba amaso yayo rimwe n'umweru dede irindi buriya kunireba n'inyamaswa mu mazi gatubona ko ari inyamahoro. Rangije erikomereza.
Happy hunting, friend.
Tugira umuhigo mwiza nshuti. Happy hunting, friend. Telefone irongera sona. Bwa mbere yahamagawe arayimyoringa. Barongera baramuhamagara. Yitonze.
Hey, Tam.
Yego Tam. Nyirabuja.
I'm good. What's up?
Ya meze neza meze bite?
Oh, you know, just, hanging out.
Ya ndahanga bari mu rugo. Bikijya mbere. Aha, yego. Bwatinze. Nimba ari ndi job yabonetse. Ku buryo urwara vuba vuba. Tayari kumeza rwa mushuti. Uyiwe ngo yanze gukura.
Fucking service.
Bwara rwose ahisemo gufata ikirere.
How many emails and texts are you gonna ignore from me?
Bwara uzanchoma kujya ngwandikira ama email ama message.
You know your girlfriend was almost losing her fucking mind because you're out.
My girlfriend mother kwandikira nunamusubiza.
I'm sure he's gonna show up.
Bane oya Tamara ramwuba kikuri inshuro.
This would be here.
Ntabwo nahise rwose bunemera akaza ko Tamara wamwemereye.
You see? You had faith.
Tafite ibyiringiro ndabikunze nabyo.
2 words for you. Blow me.
Oh.
Agamba biri basazi wawe mesa.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Kiryaga paro naye kiryaga pando.
Fuck you.
Kiryaga paro nawe. Ni bwatinze. Bazana hakuno. Dore umugi. Baba ni gabaye witata we.
Frankfurt.
Baba ze muri Frankfurt.
So how was Amsterdam?
Man Amsterdam ari meze gutese.
New low in terms of sexual excess.
Tusibye ikintu cyari cyaraneze no kugakubita nta kindi.
Very hungover.
Rwose ntangova yarandenze kubera kugakubita cyane. Wabona uterwa n'amayoga.
Tam, say anything else?
Hari ikintu Tamara yabakubwiye.
About the job.
Uri ko maze bijyanye n'akazi se?
No, about
Oya. Nabijyanye nanjye nyine.
about me.
Naje nakubwiye Tamara. Bamudamu y'ubakazi.
Oh, yeah.
Ndebutse.
Don't forget to pack your binoculars
Yambwiye ngo nkubwire ngo nibagirwe gupakira za jomeri zawe
so you can see your tiny cock.
kugira ngo ujye ukurura akabanda yawe gatoya.
No.
Shoferi agenda yisekera.
Why?
Ngo rwihorera muri buraga masazo rwa Ken.
Tam, this morning.
Tamara twavuye muri gitondo.
Is it? After this, I'm done.
Bullshit.
Yambwiye ngo nyuma y'akazi ngo barata bansezerera. Ngo no mwanda.
I'm not joking.
Ntabwo urimo urakina.
Ken. I'm serious.
Ken ndi serious. Tamara twavuye namubwiye nyuma y'aka kazi ndahita mba retire ndahita mba mu kazi. job ya nyuma.
It's time.
Nicyo gihe. Job tuyikoze imyaka 10 n'ingahe? Almost 20 years. So nicyo gihe mbe retired. Sagabo ziza hakuno.
Nice, right?
Mana hano arasa neza.
Less than usual anyway.
Ntabwo byumvikana uburyo batuzana hano nkaha.
Welcome, gentlemen.
Rakaza neza abagabo. Komeza imbere.
For you?
Babakiriza ibyo kunywa.
Thanks.
Aya mani ibyo ntabwo ari ngombwa. Ken wakunda kuryoshya.
Take your bags.
Muze n'ibikapu byanyu banyakubahwa.
Okay.
Ntabwo arabyumva.
Okay. Please.
Babakiriye muri hoteli yaze kandi n'abanyabiraka.
Prick.
Muswa gusa.
Maybe.
Wenda da. Cyake nicyo kikunda kuryoshya amaze pfa ko atari mu kazi.
Yeah.
Yego.
Donkey. Oh, that's unfair.
Bari byo ntabwo bikwiye no gatwe nano ari abantu utazi.
Oh, only the fucking donkeys will you
Mukenda koresha imvugo zitari sawa.
get more donkeys, right? That's not
Mwana ari rwose amapunda menshi ari amapunda yose nta punda bitari ipunda.
assholes breed like fungus.
Bana rwose uri umuswa birenze uko bikeka gusa.
Or is fun guy.
Ati wenda icyo waba ushaka cyose nta kibazo.
Or a fun guy.
Bana uri umuntu ushimishije. Bazi zitari blague bwari mwe.
Ouch. Nice segue though. Yeah.
Koresha imvugo ziza.
I'm so
Kandi byari byiza.
can't enjoy it.
Njye ndabyenjoye nga kuvuga amagambo atameshe. Babazanye muri hoteli. Bakanano buto.
Are you sure this is our room?
Baraje jabize nga icyumba ryo utuzanyemo.
Yes, yes.
Kana buto mari dakikuraho.
Yeah?
Argo saro no babateguriye.
No.
Benekira. Babazanye muri etage hejuru ahera kuri floor ya nyuma. Brett.
You sure? Right? This
Uri sure hano no twagomba gutura.
Yeah?
Cyara rwose no babateguriye. Cyumba kirimo akabari.
Hey, Ken, check it out.
Kene gwinure mwana.
It's silk sheets.
Yama silk sheet, yama shuka ya silk.
The bed again.
I shit the bed once.
Bari cyo tana bari sawa mwana. Wera yitu umuntu agikorera ibyo akora byose nacyangiza.
Thank you.
Akira akantu hano hakuno. Babasukira champagne. Kene nibwo buzima bayishakira bworoke.
Sam, she's upgraded us.
Ati rwose no Rwanda rwatamara natunganyirije hano hantu.
Seeing as it's our last run together, it's a present.
Ati rwose ni nk'ari imana ko ari uwo mukino wa nyuma tugiye gukorana. Wibuka yereza byo Tamara ko ari bukore akazi ka nyuma. Sasa na Tamara abatunganyiriza hano ari VIP ahenze cyane. Ati na akazi ka nyuma tugiye gukorana. Akira nawe champagne murakoze nago nywa.
Hey, would you mind closing the curtains, please?
Ari cyazo bayifunza ayo marido.
Sunset. We'll be.
Ati ari akazuba keza.
It's great.
Mukanya burabwije ariko mwareka.
Thanks.
Yafungiye amarido.
Appreciate it.
Kandi ndabishimye.
Yeah, we'll figure out the rest. Thanks.
Ibindi tuzaza kumenya mu nyuma kandi urakoze.
As you wish.
Nkuko mubyifuza.
I'm Mirko.
Banta Mirko.
If you need anything,
Niba ugira icyo mukenera.
anything, just call.
Icyo ari cyo cyose muhamagare gusa.
Thank you.
Sawa murakoze. Ngongera buja bateguriye ahantu hari VIP cyane benjoyinga ubuzima.
Hey, we have...
Cyane kumwe ko kazi kanyuma. Bana urize n'abantu nkaha.
No, I remember it.
Hana ndiko mbyibukasha nawe nigeze n'ameze gutyo.
Deja vu.
Hana habirenze ariko.
I said deja vu in case you missed.
Ndavuze ngo deja vu mwana. Munyu utayishimiye.
Come on.
Birano.
Give it to me.
Ngaho basi mereza ibyo ngibyo.
And I'm fucked.
What are you
Nanu ugiye kuva mu kazi ngiye kuraburiza.
talking about?
Uravuga ibikize.
I'm a spotter. They don't need me.
Je ndi spotter. Ndi umuntu gucungira mu rugendo gupima. Ntago banyeneye njewe.
Bullshit. You can
Ariko na
shoot.
No,
nawe warasa.
like you.
Ntago ngora ko narasa kozi ntago narasa nkawe. Sasa mugenzi keneye maramubwira ati uramuka uvuye muri kano kazi. Nyina yindi job nzabona.
Where are your abilities, do you?
Mwana we ntago ububasha bwawe n'ubushobozi bwawe.
I've only lasted this long in the company because I partner well with you.
Ati mwana natinze muri company nyirambamo kubera ko twakoranaga nari partner wana n'umwunganizi wawe.
You! Why do you think Tam flirts with you all the time? You're the best fucking shooter we got.
Ibaza nayo mabuja tuzanye muri hoteli nk'ihenze n'ukugira ngo mbase nk'ugutereta ugume mu kazi.
And everybody knows it.
Ken,
N'abantu bose
you're
barabizi.
selling yourself short.
Ken urimo urabishyira ku rundi rwego.
Being honest,
Man ndimo ndakubera umunyakuri.
I could think on my feet, get out of tight spots.
Man nshaka kuba nakora ibiki byose amakosa yose nakora ariko mwana wowe kuba ndi muri kano kazi n'ukubera wowe.
I'm a smooth operator. I'm a way better fuck.
Very.
Man mfasha.
I ain't you. Nobody is.
Wowe kugutse dukorana nta bundi muntu twanashobora kuba twanakorana.
It's a good kill, Sam.
Man wishe umuntu uriya muntu wamwishe neza pe. Nta kosa wakoze.
It was legal.
Niyo munsi biracyamurya.
sanctioned, and just.
bane rwose ibintu wakoze byari bikwiye kandi byari bikwitse.
Why can't you just fucking get that?
Sinzi niba wowe utabyiyumvishe mu buryo cyo wakoze akazi keza.
That woman sacrificed herself, Ken, okay? She sacrificed
Ken nikangubwira mugore yitangiriye mugabo aramupfira.
herself.
Ibu byose ninde bireba.
Did you do that for someone?
For that
Ese wowe wakwitangira umuntu.
motherfucker?
No, I mean-
Umusenze ngura nabikora.
For anyone.
Ndakubaza hari umuntu we wakwitangira.
Say what?
Who?
You
Yes.
fucking ass clown!
Wewe nakwitangira basi.
Exactly my point.
Iyo niyo ngingo yanjye.
And that is why I gotta leave, bro, because
Niyo mpamvu ngomba kuva muri kano kazi.
I'm a risk to you now.
Mane rwose nawe ndi ikibazo.
Understand that I'm a risk to you. The day that I
Mwana nawe ndi ikibazo kuri kubera ko
shot that woman,
umunsi naje uriya mugore
something changed in me,
hari
okay?
ikintu cyahindutse muri njye.
Everything changed.
Kandi ibintu byose byarahindutse.
I'm a different person now.
Mane ndi umuntu utandukanye. Ibintu byo kwicarana birambiwe. Nemereye mabuja gukora kano kazi ariko kanyuma nkahita mva mu ijobu. Cyakeni cyarababaye.
Staring through a scope my whole fucking life, and now I want to see what it's like without it, you know?
Mane sinshaka kuzaba muri ubuzima rwose ndashaka kubaka umuryango nshaka umugore n'ibyarire nimenye ubuzima busanzwe bw'abantu basanzwe.
So I'm sorry, bro.
Kandi wihangane bro kuba ngiye kuva muri kano kazi kandi wazi ko maniga naramuka vuye muri kano kazi nta yandi mafaranga azongera gukoraho
Really, I am.
kuko bari kumwe niyo mpamvu abona ibiceri. Kandi wihangane bro.
And I get why you feel like that, but I'm done.
Bane sinzi ko bifata ariko akazi nabirangije.
Okay? That's it. I'm out.
Ndana akazi nakavuyemo.
I'm sorry.
Kandi wihangane mwana.
Fuck!
Anda. Saze sana.
How did Tamara take it?
None se Tamara yabyakiriye ati mabuja.
Yeah, well, she wasn't happy.
Ntago nawe byamunejeje.
But, you know, she wasn't surprised either.
Usibye ko nubwo byanamutunguye nubwo bitamunejeje. Wabye expecting gaga. Wow.
I thought she'd throw a epic shit fit, to be honest.
Ati ntago mabuja yarangira gutyo gusa. Nakubeshye.
To be honest, she said the same thing about you.
Nawe nanjye niko yakumbwiyeho.
Yeah, well, I do love a hissy fit.
Sibye ko mwana nari nashimye ibyo tujyanye. Nyirabuja ntabwo yabyishimiye.
Really, I am, but
Mwana Ken umbabarire.
just feels like it's time.
Njye ndi kumva aricyo gihe mve muri kano kazi.
So, this is it then?
Bivuze ngo naha kazi turangirije.
This is it.
Nibyo mwana niko bimeze.
One last dance to square us.
Bane dusigaje kubyina imbyino ya nyuma cyangwa se job ya nyuma nkacomoka.
Hell. Nothing lasts forever, right?
Mwana nobone nta biramba iteka.
Got a penthouse,
Akaba ni gashire.
champagne.
Reka twinywere champagne nakundi.
That loves the night. We got what
Nobone ni ijoro rya tari.
days before we have to be out in the boonies.
Dusigaje iminsi ngahe mbere yuko tutahindukana.
As well enjoy.
Reka tumwemo. Ntabwo byatuma niheba ku buryo numva ko ubuzima burangiye ko tutandukanye.
You're a good friend.
Mwana njye nawe turi inshuti magara turi inshuti nziza.
About time you noticed.
Bwa mbere urabisobanukiwe noneho.
I also have a humongous.
Ego?
Atangira za mvugo
Is
ze.
that what we're gonna do now? We're
None
gonna
tuzakora
each
iki?
other's sentence.
Well, I'm gonna
Interuro yacu irarangirira hano cyangwa.
have to, right? Because otherwise you're not going to stop talking about it.
Ndabizi tutari burekere kuvuga bakira arabakomanze.
They need one of those cards to get the elevator to this floor.
Harya hari amakarita afungura esanseri.
Yeah.
Baretse gato. Baza hakuno.
God.
Baba nutwuje tubiri.
Hi.
Yewe bite.
Hello.
Hello.
We're here for your massage.
Batwereje ngo tubakore ka massage. Urebe filime.
A gift from management and your boss.
Ni impano ya management yi hotel hamwe na boss wanyu.
You know the word of the day?
Yeah.
Ijambo ry'umunsi niri. Mwatubwira ijambo ry'umunsi.
Haberdashery?
Haberdashery.
Haberdashery.
Bababwi ari ukuntu abasigara bagira kode kugira ngo yinjire ahantu. Haba ari nk'ijambo rya kode rigomba kwinjiza aho hantu.
Yeah, we're good.
Tumeze neza.
Come on up.
Sawa mwinjire kandi n'abakingurira.
2 hot chicks.
Bari ibyuki bibiri nk'ibi. Ufuceceka none nawe umupadiri bwawe.
Now I believe in God.
Kenny yikundira gusinda n'abana nta kindi. Kenny. Iyi niyo sinarotaga. Ayibe.
First class all the way, right?
Mane ibi nibyo narotaga bro. Kumbe uyimeraho nka padiri we.
Tell me you're not gonna miss this.
Nezere ko ibintu tazabikumbura.
Not going to miss this.
Yewe sinzabikumbura pe.
Sack of shit.
Bari kubura aho uryamye gutya umwana yemara ku masaha.
Hey,
Urupantaro.
sorry, what's your name?
Harya mbaburetse gato witwa?
Her name is Mona.
Bamwita Mona.
I am Lenny.
Yari nitwa Lily.
Mona? You mind closing the drapes, please?
ari byabigutwaye biramutse ufunze ayo madirishya
It gives me an itch having it open, okay? Just please.
ntabwo aba ari byiza mufungeho
Whatever relaxes you.
ikibuguha amahoro rwose turagikora saa ntacyo bitwaye funga ayo marido
Ready?
uriteguye
You know what? I'm not sure I'm up for it.
sinzi ibyo uri kuvuga ngo niteguriye ibyo ari byo gusa
I'm not really into it.
ntabwo mbirimo pe
What'd I tell you about him?
rero kangejeje mabwira kuri uyu muvandimwe wanjye
What'd I say?
nk'uko nabivuze
His tight ass can't even enjoy a rub and tug.
uyu niwe muntu utajya benjeye ku buzima nk'abandi basore bose
Wanna lay down?
uretse gato ngo umase aka kavayo baretse gato ngaho ngwino wicara nkwereke
Over here. Come.
ngwino hano nkwereke ni utwuki waboherere ngo tubakorere masaje
Okay.
okay karangije icara ureba hano gutya
What are we doing here?
urakora ibiki
Adjusting your chakra.
ndimo nareba chakra yawe
Oh, just in my...
cyangwa se icyo nakita nk'igeno
Oh, she's got hidden talents.
umukobwa asanga afite impano zihishe
What else can the lovely Mona do, huh?
ese mbona n'ikindi wakora
I can tell you your future.
ushaka kuba nakubwira ahazaza hawe
Oh, you can?
wabikora se
She's a fortune teller.
Yeah, sure,
ubu ni
sure.
fortune teller
Yes.
gute
You're wasting your time with him, doll.
yewe umukobwa musore urimo uratere turimo urangiza igihe cyawe
He's a spiritual black hole.
uwo musenzi mu mutima we habamo umwijima gusa sinzi ko wamufatije
I used to say, everyone has a spirit.
mama njya akunda kumbwira ko buri muntu agira roho cyangwa se umwuka umugendaho
Whether they believe in it or not.
sinzi niba waba ubyiza cyangwa utabyiza ariko nta muntu utagira roho
Used to read palms.
mama yakunda gusoma ibiganza
I learned from her.
nawe nabimwigiyeho
Oh, not any fortune teller.
wow usa nkaho avuga ibintu by'ahazaza
Next thing I know, you'll be telling me you got a crystal ball.
ibyo mbwira byose ariko ndumva ufite confidence ariko
course.
ntabwo napfa kubyizera confidence nazifite
Really?
Get the
uri serious
For real?
muka uri serious wasoma ahazaza h'umuntu
I carry it with me all the time.
ati n'impano nakuye kuri mama ariko nanjye igihe cyose
Yeah?
okay
For luck.
kubw'amahirwe
I will tip you a solid 100 if you show me your crystal ball.
ngaho bazi nyereka uriya crystal ball cyangwa se ya mipira yerekana impano z'abantu ndaguha amadolari 100
Okay.
ibyo gusa
She's literally going to get the ball right now.
agiye kuzana agapira nonaha ni ubupira bukoreshwa n'abitwa ba gypsy cyangwa se ba gypsy bavuga ibintu by'ahazaza kubaragira iyo myizerere kumbe ko byanya byo umukobwa afite ya crystal ball
Wizard shit!
ati wazose agapira ko muri Harry Potter bakoreshaga
Wait.
bare ibyahazaza
On.
buretse gato
See you use it. I've never had
kanyereka basi uburyo ugakoresha
crystal ball.
kugira niba hazaza hanye muri iyo crystal ball
Confess the ball is just a prop for tourists.
ati ntabwo ari ibintu byo gukinisha ndabona mwabigize nk'ari blague
Aye.
ubaye serious akenshi tukoresha ku ba tourist
But the palms are for real.
ushobora kutizera iyo crystal ball ariko ibiganza byo aba ari ibya nyabyo
For life.
ndarahira ku buzima bwanjye ibiganza ni ibijya bibeshya palms never lie
All right. Say no more.
usaba wivuga byinshi ngwino ndebere ndebe iki by'ikiganza cyanjye kivuga
You don't like to stay in one place.
ati usa nkaho uri umuntu udakunda kwicara ahantu hamwe
And you don't wish to grow old.
kandi ntabwo ujya wifuza gusaza kandi nk'uko manika niko ameze
You want to be a bad boy your whole life.
ushaka kuzaba ari umusore uryoshye ibihe byawe byose
Ladies.
kumbe umukobwa wavuze ibintu byanya by'umanika niko ameze
Yes, I see much physical exertion in his.
niyo mpamvu wari mu dusiporo ubwo umukiri mutoya
On the bell.
I like her.
umukobwa aramwishimiye pe arashimishije
What about my boy over there?
ngaho soma ibiganza bya mushiki wanjye
What does his say?
we ikiganza cye gisobanuye iki
Let's
wowe ugafata ikiganza ngaho katurebe urebe
you wait.
Oh, I'm excited.
imana njye natunguwe pe
What?
ko wafata ikiganza
What is it?
yikangamo yewe ni iki ntiyavuga
Ladies, they love you too.
yewe nawe abagore baragukunda asa nkaho ari ibyahishe
Okay, and what else?
hanyuma n'iki kindi waba ubonye
I thought you didn't believe.
ariko wambwiye ko ibintu utajya ubyizera
I don't believe. I'm just,
ntabwo mbyizera gusa
I don't know, curious. What else?
mwana mfigize amatsiko gusa n'ikintu ubonye
What'd you see? Tell me.
wambwiye ibintu ubonye wambwiye
No, you have a strong faith.
ugira ukwizera gukomeye
That
gusa
But what?
gusa iki
but you follow a false idol.
Sorry, doll. You whiffed that one.
echa bazo giswase
is a non-believer of the highest order.
nati niwe muntu wo ku rwego rwe ruzajya kwizera
Just not for long.
arizera ahubwo nangajya yizera by'igihe kirekire.
Dai Peter?
Mwamuje pizza cyangwa iki? Ahubwo sanga hari ibinda muhishe. Kadufata ikintu cyo kunywa.
Why not?
Kicyambuza kunywa se. Bakiraho. Babwe nyirabuja ya Tanzania bicira babiteho rwose.
No expense, huh?
Bwana bintu natari kabisa. Ibintu byo twabateguriye. Abo dufuruwi. Bazana ko dufuruwi.
Dili, открой шторы.
Afgani kirimo batazi.
Заткнись.
Arajugunye. Asuke kibazo. Maniga vayo. Aho no muri hoteli. Sanga yirukanye bakobwa yewe.
Don't want those doors open.
Yewe ufa amadirishya yafungura. Kugira ngo yinjire akayaga. Murye ko sameze namureba hanze.
Close the curtains.
Yavuze ngo funga marido none aha. Funga imiryango.
You grump, I love this. Look, you can see for miles here.
Maniga arebye neza. Arajye hakurya. Kwina tande. Isasu. Byanyabyo. Oh. Wa mugira vuba vuba. Baza babagambariye.
Yeah.
Kandi mezereza.
You see?
Hakurya kuyewe. Uramubonye ndamubonye.
Southwest.
Ari kwina tande. Majyepfo y'Iburasirazuba y'Uburengerazuba. Southwest.
Paper glass reinforced.
Cyari bita.
The shots are off.
Mwana ba.
Shut those drapes. Where's that remote?
Telekomandire dufungane amadirishya. Tayari. Ngoma sasu. Kumbe. Baseriveri nabo nabicanyi. Na seriveri kazi. Karamwataka. Mujari. Vuba byihuse.
Keep your head down.
Barekira umutwe hasi. Arahaguruka. Ndabyicamurira. Kick. Gakobwa. Ndakubwiye kuri bitandatu byawe. Urya shwa ku giti. Ukwezi kwose. Rakayuri. Kick. Yanyama ngakogwa nako. Turore. Baba tumya habicanyi. Taje barimo. Gakobwa. Samuzonga yewe tatadicaho.
Sniper, this truck.
Kamuze yewe ubusniper ari hakurya. Atambika gakobwa baraga. Chepwe tawe. Oh. Seriveri wunda vayo. Aza kutufata telekomandi funga marido. Kick.
Shit. Fuck him up, Sam.
Samu mani. Barwana Samu. Agishize. Imbere ye. Kiri kuri opposite n'idirishya. Nubundi. Wapima yapima. Igi seriveri. Samare marakitsimbamo. Asenze sha. Seriveri. Seriveri. Nakubwiye. Max mavu. Kuri bitandatu byawe. Byashoka kwezi kose.
Come on, stop toying with me.
Mani Samu akubise umusazi ukagukina inzozo mburaga zawe. Mani umusazi nawe nindwanye. Bagabo ziragigira. Mushyira hasi. Mucisha bugufi.
Who do you work for?
Ukorera ndi. Kirya hapando. Yewe habura gato. Oh. Yewe. Bagabo. Oh. Chivaze. Mena mazuru.
Goddamn curtains are open.
Mana marida fungwe bwana.
Focus.
Sam focusing.
Assholes down, 2 across the way to go.
Abasenza bari hasi abandi bari hakurya muri etage.
Winning.
Bini bikiri ku.
Fire.
No kubera iki. Check.
Sam, your phone?
Sam telefone yawe.
It's in my jacket in the back.
Nahise kuja kwete mu cyumba. Yawe se. Nagahiri nahagera.
Case.
Case
Naza kasi yawe yimbunda.
Get to it. Where's your
Kesi iri kuri kontwari y'akabari.
sidearm?
It's it.
None umwanda imbunda ziri kure.
Bedroom.
You put it in the safe? Why did you put it in the goddamn safe?
Naraza kuki imbunda yashyize muri safe umwana.
I don't know. I just wanted to put it in a safe place.
Nashaka kwikira ahantu harinzwe n'amabara yashyize mu kabati.
Shit!
Fuck.
Anda.
Take my cover here.
All right, Ken.
Mani Kenny.
You got a spot to move to?
Nakuhano nagupfa kubusha ushaka kubusha gato agatakurasa. Anyway. Hano ni filme yiswe Take Cover. Ja cover.
3.
And 3.
1.
Nimwe. Kabiri. Gena vayo. Chawe. Bamara sirju mumetso. Anyway. Bana we.
That's my ass cheek.
Bana mumetso and never open the bro. Niran mwitsi hangane.
Yeah, I'm good.
Anyway.
Lily.
Bana.
Lily, listen.
Riri tuza we mamwa bakamutuze.
Stay calm, okay?
We tuza muko.
Head down.
shira umutwe wanyu hasi gusa
Down. Do you understand what I'm saying?
uranye ibyo ndimo navuga cyane
Down.
mubwira amagambo ari kuvuga
Lily, smiri
bafite ikintu bavuga ari igicuru twani
Lily, odgovori mi.
arasunika arumva
Slušaj,
yewe Lily umva
stani.
basi tukana umaza gufite just blood pressure mutima uri guterera hejuru
Besides, we're fucked?
Yeah, but
mana turaraburije ya turaraburije nyine
None.
twaye dutekereza
come on, Ken. This is what you do, right?
kandi si ibintu kandi ibintu byo dukora sibyo
This is your shit. What?
Ken wowe uzi kurebera sniper hari bivuze ngo ushaka kuba wamenya bitana hano sniper ari aho umuntu yacica cyangwa yakwepera
What do we do? Think about it. Yeah.
mani basi tekereza nzo nabyo twakora iki twajije nganya umusniper tukaba twava hano amahoro
Yeah, okay.
sawa
Yeah, I got this.
benabikemura
Let me think.
baze nekereze
The lights!
amatara mwana amatara
Lights.
amatara
We can take a couple of lights out, okay?
tuzimya amatara makeya
Yeah, good.
zimya irya mbere no yazimya irindi
That'll do for now.
aho byakora wenda
But there are still lights.
ariko hari andi matara akiri maraka
No, we don't want it completely dark.
oya ntabwo dushaka umwijima ko haza umwijima
Why? Then they get...
They have
oya ntabwo twazimya amatara yose
night vision scopes on.
bashobora kuba bakoresha za night vision
Half light is better than no
bivuze ngo kuba hari urumuri ruke rutari rwinshi cyangwa atari umwijima
light, okay?
nibyo byiza
Girls, who has a phone here?
yango bakora n'utu telefone
I do.
ndayifite irihe
In my bag.
iri mu gakapu kanjye
Where's your bag?
agakapu kawe karihe kuri tabure
I might as well be in China.
nyagasana agakapu kari kurajya mu bushinwa
Lily,
Lily
talk to me.
Lily mvugisha
Talk to me.
kano katitiye namwe bashaka kuvuga
Lily.
oya
Lily, odgovori mi.
Lily banza wumve
Lily, telefon.
telefone
Lily, ne znam da. She's so scared she's forgetting English.
umva yagize ubwoba kurya agize n'atajya kwibagirwa icyongereza
In her bag too, but she
igikapu telefone mu gikapu cye nawe
doesn't know where it is.
ariko ntabwo azaba yarambitse agakapu ke
Well, let's take a look for it.
ngaho basi katuyishake telefone ye
Stay down. Stay.
guma hasi mugo tabuje
You see her?
Yeah, I can see.
Sam uri kumubona ndi kumubona
Watch Sam for cues. Do not move until he says different.
komeza urebe maso ya Sam ku buryo utari bubuje sibyo aho uri aratekanye manika baryamutwitse ku muhumetso Ken wakora biki
A fucked up version of Tetris with live ammunition.
bane twebwe ibintu twakoze kuva kera ibintu
Shot.
Oh, okay. Thanks,
bane
Dad.
bakurasha bakoze papa kubungira impu
Baby, I see it.
See
bane agakapu urimo ndakabona
First,
Can you get to it?
hang tight, folks.
kandagerageza niba uburyo kirasimbuka
Wait.
uretse
Mona, Ken's gonna dive behind the pillar.
Ken agiye gusimbukira kariya kantu sibyo
Come to me.
asimbukire kuntu uza ku nkingi nawe ukisimbuka hano
Ready?
uriteguye
Ready, Ken?
Ken uriteguye
Ready, three.
Ken asimbuka n'umukobwa ahita asimbuka aza hakuno enda turuba cyawe sasu Ken itsimbano umukobwa nawe aza hakuno
Keep trying, son.
bazigerageza mwabasore ntabwo mwapima
Since I was an itch in my dick.
basukwa gusa
God damn it, you lunatic.
ari umusazi kweli
You're welcome, man.
kaza neza bro
You know,
banamo umukandara
I've been thinking.
bana saa munani muratekereza utekereza ibiki
I watched a game of baseball last night.
bana ijoro ryashize narebye iriya match ya baseball cyo kibahurira muri buraga amasaha yose
I tried to tell you, bro.
banagerageje kubwira cyawe kano karangije bebwe tata we afite ubwoba
Stay down.
we guma hasi wakagora ikiwe guma hasi
Da se pomeraš, Lily.
uramubwira mu gicuncu hano kirimo ikiwabo
Upravo ti je spasio
Lily umva
život.
Stay down.
tuza uhame hamwe
I'm not gonna let you go. I got it.
ntago natuma uraburiza urumva
Ken, she's fucking losing it, bro.
Ken uyu mukobwa yatangiye gupanika atangiye gucyuha mu mutwe
Oh, yeah, baby.
agakapu aragakurura ni Ken
I got it.
nakabonye agakapu
All right.
ndangije
I need her security code for the phone. What is it?
nkeneye kode y'iyi telefone password
Koja ti je šifra?
avaga mu kirimi cy'iwabo
No,
Nula.
I need the security code.
nkeneye kode y'ifungura
I
telefone
need the security code in English.
mu cyongereza please
Please.
5150.
5150
All right.
sawa hari uwo yahamagaye
Ocean Valley Insurance.
Ocean Valley Insurance
May I direct your call?
ni gute nabayobora uwo muhamagaye
Claims case 6661.
mumpamagariye 661
Please hold while we verify.
mbaretse gato mu gihe tukirimo turaverifiya
Ken, why are you calling on this number?
call Ken kuki wahamagaje iyi nimero
Not be a code.
Code blue? Yeah.
code blue
We're under fire.
bana turimo turaraswa hamagaye nyirabuja
Okay, just keep talking.
komeza uvuge
Where are you?
muri hehe
The hotel.
turi kuri hoteli muri penthouse
There's nothing but windows and very little cover.
ati rwose tutarana mu dupira mu mirahure nako mu madirisha
Sam and I are pinned down.
kumbuka bwira nyirabujanya kuri kuri machine.
We're alive.
Njye na Sam rwose twaraburije.
Sam, anything to add to that?
Hari ikintu wakongeraho?
Hurry up and get us the fuck out of here.
Umbarata Tamara gira vore y'uburyo cyo tuvana hano.
Any idea who we're dealing with?
None se mwamuza muhanganye nabo.
I don't know, but the shooter's in a tower to my southwest.
Nta kintu tuzibya kuri murasa imbare y'epfo y'uburengerazuba. Southwest.
It's like
ari mu nyubako hejuru.
an apartment building, office space, something like that. Either way, we're trapped and we need
Bisa ngari ibintu byari byapanzwe ko umuntu arimo urya maradupima
get the fuck out of here.
muri etage irebana n'iyacu birebana.
Penthouse?
That's where you put us.
I did
aho wadushize
not.
ntabwo ari abanyanyuko muri iyo hoteli
Whose phone
bikangamo
are you using?
aho telefone muri rwose ni yawe ndi
The massage girls you sent up as a gift, which I'm presuming
abakobwa batwereje hano nk'ari abakobwa baje kudukorera za massage mwadoye nk'impano
is
ni telefone imwe muri abakobwa barimo bakoresha sasa Tamara baramubwira ngo hoteli batwerejemo ne turimo undi ati mwibeshye ntabwo naboherejemo
Bullshit.
ibyo ni umwanda.
It had the word of the day, Tam.
bano bakobwa bari bazi n'ijambo ry'umunsi rituma twemerera umuntu kwinjira mu nzu yacu.
Are they still there? Alive?
baracyari bazima se?
Yeah. There's a dead merc and the concierge was in on it too.
bimwe mu bikozi byano nicyo umuntu yivuganye
I was a secret
ariko abakobwa baracyari bazima.
fucking ninja.
igikorwa cy'igiseriveri cyari kimeze nk'ininja
But the girl's a civilian.
ariko abakobwa bo ni abasivili.
Are you sure?
uri sure?
Yeah. They're scared to death and not faking it.
ati ntabwo ari ibintu faking nkurikije ubwoba bafite n'ukuntu batitiye.
I can tell.
Bibi ntabwo basanzwe babimenyera ibya gisirikare.
Then how did they get the word of the day?
none se gute wamenya ijambo ry'umunsi rituma mubemerera kwinjira kode yanyu y'ibanga?
We have them all, Tam. Someone set us up.
ati ko biri kose dufite abasenzi batugambaniye.
How many people knew we'd be here?
ase ni bangahe bari bazi ko turi muri hoteli?
It's a very short list.
ni abantu bakeya n'ubundi usanga dukorana.
Look, this penthouse is running out of cover fast. We need help.
ati mwana ibyo ngibyo twibite naho abari bazi aho turi nta kibazo dukeneye ubufasha byihuse.
Any more assets in town?
hari abandi bantu batweze hano mu mujyi bazi bakudutabara.
I have some favors to call in. Keep the
ati hari abandi banze guhamagara mbere na mbere.
line open and sit.
mutavana telefoni kandi mwicare mutuza sit tight.
Like we have a fucking choice.
none se tudatuje ngo harane mahitamo dufite. kupege telefoni.
It's turtle up.
bakore bato mutuze nta yandi mahitamo. oya kano gafite ubwoba.
Yeah, the son is on with the help.
baba agiye kohereza ubufasha nimugirwe ibyo ni amasegonda. mabuja rwose ni umuntu ukomeye cyane baramuzi.
Just gotta keep your heads
ibintu
down.
byose biramera neza.
Tell her.
turasaba gushyira imitwe yacu hasi.
Lili, ostani dole.
uyavuga mu gicunshwani.
There. No, don't look.
wirebayo.
See them, that means they can see you. That's bad.
baramutse muhuje amaso byaba ari bibi cyane. umutwe wawe ushyira hasi.
They're gonna choose their shots. They're looking for a kill shot.
ati uko biri kose barashaka aho bapimira nta kindi.
Okay? Keep your head down.
mize ngo imitwe yanyu hasi. komana.
Why are they trying to kill you?
hasi ubundi niyo mpamvu iri gutuma bashaka kubica. Lilia mbona arabaza.
I don't know.
nanjye ntabwo mbizi.
You did something,
hari ikintu mwakoze
didn't you?
sibyo? nk'umuntu uzwe ntabwo umuntu yabyuka mu gitondo ngo aze kukwica ntacyo wamukoze.
We've done many things.
bwana twakoze byinshi.
That's not why this is happening.
ntabwo ariyo mpamvu ibi byose birimo biraba. amabara yo twakoze ni menshi.
I don't want to die.
ntabwo nshaka gupfa.
You're not gonna.
ntabwo napfa ntabwo muri bupfi.
Yeah.
bagifite umwana w'umukobwa.
You're gonna see her again.
uwo muri uraza kongera umubone.
Trust me.
kandi unyizere.
Oh Lord, God, please help.
bana ndufashe.
Hey, it's all right, hon.
waye mutuze.
He's coming. Just sit tight.
Who?
hari abagiye kuduha ubufasha mutuze.
You know? The good guys.
bantu beza baraza kudutabara.
Good guys like you?
bantu beza nkamwe.
Yeah, like
cyane
me.
abantu beza nkanjye.
If you're such a good guy,
iyo uri umuntu mwiza
then why is someone trying to kill you?
niyo mpamvu yatuma umuntu abyuka mu gitondo agashaka kwica wowe.
I told you, I don't know.
nakubwiye ngo nanjye mwanya sinzi impamvu ari kumiga.
What did you do?
hasi ubundi utambe ikintu icyo wakoze.
Hurt someone,
hari umuntu mwababaje se cyangwa
and now they want to hurt you?
byo kuba byamera kose hari umuntu mwababaje nawe ushaka kwihorera nawe bababaza.
Yes,
ya sibyo?
Yeah.
ya niko bimeze.
yet you are the good guy.
hanyuma ukambwira ko nawe uri umuntu mwiza. ibyo ni ibintu bitumvikana.
We try to be, okay?
What?
umva tugeza ku bantu beza rero gerageza cyane.
He's speaking for himself.
arimo arivugira.
I like being a bad dude.
nanjye nkunda kuba umuntu mu bintu urugo rye rwa Kedi. akantu karimo karasenga. aravuga ikintu batumva arimo aravuga ibiki
This love and love is real.
ati arimo aravuga ngo Imana ni urukundo kandi urukundo rurwanyarwo niyo magambo arimo aravuga umurabera mene neza sibyo karumetwa ariya ni karumevu karumetwa karume hano filime yiswe Take Cover kurya cover mukobwa isameze buriya abasirikare bari bakajuga abasirikare baje kurwa babaye batangiye kweba kurwa gutera kabiri zabo bagutera injuga none se mukobwa we ratangana ati kugira ngo ibitekerezo bijya handi ufite imyaka 8 okay
What's her name?
harya yitwa nde
Her name is none of your fucking business.
Wazina ry'umwana ntago bikureba wakigabo we
Okay, fine.
mbasi mbabarire Fane aratangiye kwebye mu ntekerezo
You are no soldier.
we nta nubwo uri umusirikare
I know what you are.
zicyuricyo
I've seen many of your kind around here.
nabonye abantu nkawe babicanye impande yanjye kenshi
You call yourself a soldier.
mwita abasirikare
Really? You're just a kid.
ariko mu by'ukuri muri abicanyi gusa
I've read it on your palms. You kill for money.
ati nkunasomye ibiganza byawe muri akazi ukora wica kugira ngo ubone amafaranga you kill for money
What do you do for money, huh?
ese mukobo ukora iki kugira kubw'amafaranga
What I do?
ngibyo nkora ndabizi
You sell your ass.
nawe ugurisha umumetso wawe Ken ntakajyaheza ntabwo yaguhereza ati niba twica kugira ngo tubone amafaranga nawe urigurisha kugira ngo ubone amafaranga
Lecture us.
rero witugira inama
Do what I must to take care of my child.
njye nakora icyo usabwa cyose kugira ngo nabone amafaranga yo kwita ku mwana wanjye
Why do you do what you do?
wese niyo mpamvu tumukora ibyo mukora twe turinda abantu oya
Doing a bang up job so far.
ntabwo mwakora akazi k'ubwicanyi ngo murarinda abantu izo ni inshingano
Is that your mirror?
iyo nimero wari yawe cyane
Give it to me.
yemereza
Quick.
gira vuba yakamusunikira mu musirikare urebe fata kamera wari urebe areberamo
Who was it that hired you for us tonight?
We got a call from Mirko the consul.
ati ninde watumye muzanira ijoro atwahamagaye na Mirko
He said we were a gift.
ariko yavuze ko turi impano
Sam, look out!
bayicunge kumbe cya kigabo cya Mirko kirahaguruka Mirko ariko nawe natuma samwicunga mwana ariga Kenny tayari Kenny arachambara bagabo baraha box bagabo bose ni ndwanyi sonya boy kumwicanyi rya nyabyo nakubwiye kuri bitandatu byawe urarya show ku giti ukwezi kose
I can't get to you!
bari ntabwo nakugeraho box bya nyabyo bagabo karenze abana muri etaje Kenny itsimba hakuno Ken meze neza
Yeah, I'm good.
meze neza
You see the phone?
abana telefoni
Phone?
telefoni
Yeah, I got it.
iya ndayibona
Yeah,
iya ndayibona
got it.
ndayifashe
Good.
ayiwe neza cyane
Hey, Ken.
Ken
Yeah.
yego
Thanks, bro.
koze bro
You saved my life.
rantabaye mwana cyamushuti
Worry about it.
wewe bitindeho
Worry
urebe
about it.
sasu daciye muri Kenny cyebwe datawe
Don't worry about it.
wewe bitindaho cyebwe bapimye mu rubaho rirahinguranye
worry.
datawe Kenny Ken amasasu y'abasniper yari remereye atishije muri triplex Ken maniga tayari nganda eske
Shit!
oh ibyo bari bazi yuko hey filime yiswe Take Cover
I think he's still breathing.
ndaceka kirimo arahumeka
He's breathing?
ndacyahumeka
Yes.
yego
You sure?
uri sure
Bleeding but still breathing.
arimo aravosa ibyo kirimo arahumeka bleeding but still breathing
Come on, Tam, please.
Tam. Ayoko magana nyirabuja Tamara Mana we.
Oh, boy.
Mana twese turaje turapfa.
Oh, boy.
What's she saying? What is she
Baravuga ibiki?
Scared, what do you think? She's afraid we're gonna die up here.
Afite ubwoba bwo tugiye gupfira njye maravuga ngo muratekereza ibiki?
All right. You tell her.
Ngaho mubwire.
Tell her it's gonna be okay.
Ubwiye ko biri bumere neza sibyo? Turava hano kandi turava amahoro.
She doesn't believe you.
Ntago ajya kwizera.
A killer's word means nothing
Ati ijambo ry'umwicanyi iteka nta gaciro rigira.
to anyone.
Nta jambo ry'umwicanyi rigira agaciro ku muntu uwo ari we wese.
I told you I'm a soldier.
Nakubwiye ndi umusirikare.
Protect people. We
turinda abantu.
bad guys.
Twica abantu babi.
We don't have another choice.
Nta mahitamo dufite.
Who?
Udukurikije ndi.
Your government.
Urinda abaturage ukurikije leta yawe cyangwa?
You really think that makes a difference?
Urakeka ari itandukaniro ririmo se?
When my baby girl was only 1,
Ati igihe umwana wanjye yari afite umwaka umwe.
her father was gunned down in the street.
Ati ise bamurasiye mu muhanda.
Why? Because he thought my husband was someone else.
Kubera ko bacyaka umugabo wanjye ari ikindi kintu. Nicyo nyine bamuhoye.
This killer also worked for the government.
Umwicanyi wica umugabo wanjye nawe yavuze ko yakoreraga leta.
But they got it wrong.
Ariko bari baribeshye ku mugabo wanjye.
Cost my husband his life.
Barangije bamwambura ubuzima umugabo wanjye.
Or her father.
Umukobwa wanjye yitaga se niwe bishe.
That killer thought he had good reason for what he did too.
Ati nuwo mwicanyi uwo munsi yumva ko yari afite impamvu yo gutituma akora ibyo yakora kandi yumva ko iyo mpamvu ari nziza. Ariko ari umuryango yasize umwana w'imfubyi n'umugore amugira umupfakazi. Telefone rasoni. Taba telefone ma.
Sam?
Umva neza ko ari amakuru meza.
What's wrong?
Sam ikibazo ki?
Where's Ken?
Ken ari.
He's down. He's hit.
Ari hasi yarashwe.
He's unconscious. I can't get
Sana
to
wahwereye.
him, but he's bleeding.
Ntago nakwegerana rusubye karimo arava cyane.
We need a medic up here, Tam, now.
Ukeneye ubufasha bwihuse n'ubuvuzi.
Quickly.
Vuba byihuse.
Ken's a tough nut to crack.
Ken era ni umuntu ukomeye ntago yaraburiza.
He'll make it.
Araza kurokoka. Buryo nyirabuja avuga.
Do you have a visual?
Waba uri muramureba?
Hang on.
Cyangwa uri kureba hakurya bari kubarasa bari bo?
I'm using a mirror.
Ndimo nakoresha kamiruwari. Arongera arareba.
Okay, go.
Sarimo ndabareba noneho.
I have a team almost there. Watch for the flashes.
Ati rwose mfite ikipe irimo irajyayo. Nta kimenyetso uri kubona?
Watch it.
5,
Urimo aracunga.
4,
Gatanu, kane, gatatu. Bona akantu k'akamenyetso.
Are we clear? Is that confirmed?
Wababonye akantu k'urumuri?
I need rock solid fucking confirmation before
Ati nyine rwose kuma confirmation.
he can move.
Mbere yuko mugenzi wacu ya moving.
Room is clear. You're good.
Neza ko biri clear.
Sam.
Meze neza Sam. Bonye ko ari bagenzi babo Tamara yohereje muri etage irimo abicanyi amuye na sinyare y'akantu k'urumuri.
It's safe?
Ibintu biratekanye.
We're good.
I'll send
Meze neza.
the team over to you.
Naje mbohereza ikipe za kubavanaho.
Chances are they may have assets in your hotel.
Baza byanga byakunda hari ibikoresho biri muri iyo hoteli murimo.
So just stay calm,
Bivuze mutuze.
stay on the line.
Ugume ku murongo.
And you can stop hiding behind that pillar.
Ariko bibaye byiza barekera gukinira inyuma y'iyo nyingi. Urebe filime.
You find the mole?
No.
Ako wababonye umuswa?
No, sir.
Oya umusenzi urimo arabarasa ntabwo ndamubona.
Not yet.
Aramubwira ngo uzaze barekera gukinira inyuma y'iyo nyingi.
It's been very
busy.
Erega nahoze mfite akazi kenshi.
It's safe?
Hasubira ahantu haratekanye cyangwa. Mukobwa za guhengereza ibyo wabuje.
Yeah, it's safe.
Yambwe ko atekanye.
You sure?
Uri sure?
Yeah.
Cyane.
Why do you believe them?
Hase kuki ubundi ubizera.
Look, I just saw the flashes myself.
Bonyariya ukantu k'urumuri ba Mike flash.
Okay, it's safe. We're clear.
Ahantu haratekanye.
You first then.
Ngaho banza ugendere iyo batekanye. Samu fata hano akantu anaga gasego.
See? Told you.
Nakubwiye baratekanye.
Do it.
Ngaho rero bikore vayo.
Find that pillar if you're so sure.
Hasi ubundi kamubaze. Kubura inyuma y'iyo nkingi nibyo biguha icyizere cy'uko ahantu utekanye.
Hey, Tam, you got eyes on us?
Hada Tamara urimo uratureba.
Not yet. I'm working on it.
Ntago ndimo ndabareba ariko ndimo ndabikurikirana.
How did you
maniga garuye ubwenge
know I was
nigute wamenye ko
pillow?
narindi nyuma y'inkingi ukanya namubwira ati uraguma yica inyuma y'inkingi paka ryari mwanda nyirabuja amenya gute kare inyuma y'inkingi.
Nice try, Tam.
wagerageje Tamara.
Got me to check the flash, you so be convinced.
wambwiye kugira ngo ndebe ruriya rumuri kugira ngo nanjye undangize. Uri umuhanga.
Very smart.
Uri umuhanga kuko wa mugore we. Sam.
Did I not realize what a
ni gute namenye yuko
fucking liar you
borana n'umuntu w'umubeshi
before now?
kuvana mbere sekamo kumenyera buje n'abagambaniye
What they want to be true rather than what is.
hata kenshi abantu bakunda kwizera ibyo umuntu ababeshi ko ari ukuri kurusha ukuri kwa nyako.
What the fuck are you doing, Tam?
Tanga urimo akora ibiki?
What are you up to?
ubugamije iki?
Firing you.
turimo turakwirukana mu kazi.
You insisted on it.
warakomeje uraduhatiriza ngo ushaka kuva mu kazi.
God damn it, how could you do
mwanda
this to me after all these years?
nyuma y'imyaka yose dukoranye Tamara ni gutakora ibintu nk'ibi.
I like you, Sam.
Sam ndagukunda.
But
gusa
I don't see things in terms of right and wrong. That's not what I'm paid.
usibye ko arigenda njya mbona ibintu mu buryo nk'uko nawe ubibona ariko ibintu wumva ko we uri mu nzanzima ariko nyangama ko uri mu mafuti kandi ntabwo aribyo nishyuye gukora.
Job is to solve problems.
ariko njye akazi kanjye ni ugukemura ibibazo.
Problem is
kandi ikibazo ni kimwe.
We have a man like you
dufite abagabo nkawe
who has a very specific skill set, who doesn't
kandi bafite ubuhanga nk'ubwawe.
work for us anymore, which is fine, but what we can't have is you
usibye yuko ntabwo twakwemera ko umuntu nkawe wagenda ngo uducike kuko hari abandi bantu duhanganye. bivuze ngo uramutse uvuye muri kano kazi nongere kudukorera abandi baramutse baguhaye akazi ngo bakorere watumara.
one of our competitors. So
hari abantu benshi hano duhanganye kandi bafite amafaranga. rero igisubizo ni kimwe.
we take you off the board.
tukuvane kuri board tugurangize. nababereye umunyakuri.
You were. But our profile on you suggests you have too much empathy.
erega wa mugabo ibyo turabyumva nicyo binatwaye.
And you're losing your
twakoranye neza wadukoreye akazi twagusabye ariko ikibazo ni kimwe. kuva urimo urajya mu cyerekezo kibi bivuze ngo undi muntu twaba duhanganye uri umusore w'umuhanga twaminiyaga. rero ntabwo twakureka gutyo ngo ugende amahoro. gahunda ni ukukwica nuko bimera.
Hello.
aha kugira ngo uve muri kano kazi ugende abandi baguha akazi uze uduhitane nawe ubwabo baramutinya.
Why not just
Me? Why Ken?
none se ko ari mwashaka kwica kuki mwishe na Ken?
talk too much.
wibaza byinshi. Ken nawe yaravugaga cyane.
Personal, it's how
ntabwo ari ibintu biri personal.
in the private sector, Sam.
umva akenshi muri private sector cyangwa se
It's far from the first time.
iyo bifite management yayo.
What the fuck are you talking about?
ase urimo uravuga ibiki?
How do you think you two got started?
abo n'icyo utekereza ko mwembi babiri mwatangije.
Dubai? Ring any bell?
uribuka ibintu akazi mwakoze muri Dubai nta kintu gakwibutsa?
Saying we killed our own?
utwishe bagenzi bacu se?
You removed a couple of liabilities.
cyane rwose muri Dubai mwishe bagenzi banyu
Now you're replacing
uburyo mutazi.
the same thing.
kandi abo bagenzi banyu mwishe nabo bagomba kubasimbura. nabo bagomba kuba replacements zanyu.
Did 2 shots.
abo bagenzi banyu mwishe ni abashaka kuva mu kazi nk'uko nawe uyu munsi ushaka kukavamo. rero iyo umwicanyi ashaka kuva mu kazi tumwoherezaho umugenzi we akamuhitana. niyo mpamvu nawe aho ngaho uri abo bari kuguhitana ari abo twakoherejeho.
Any of my kills good?
kandi nawe urabizi ko uburyo nica ndi umuhanga.
All our kills are good kills.
umva uburyo abo uko umuntu kose yapfa twamugutumye ntabwo biba bituye baba ari byiza cyane. pfa kubakoze ibyo twagutumye. umujinya shit. rero
What now? What's happening?
n'ibikiri kujya mbere.
Being set up.
batugambaniye kandi twagambanira nabo dukorera.
You can't call for help.
bivuze ngo ntabwo wahamagara ubundi bufasha.
Or anywhere else.
erega iyo nyubako twayiborotse niyo wahamagara kuri polisi mu gihe ugomba guha uburenganzira kugira ngo mu nimero icemo.
I have control over all your comms.
ati communication zawe zose njye uzikontorora.
Your line, Ken.
umurongo wawe Ken abo bakobwa.
Okay. I see.
ndabibona.
You got it all figured out, don't you?
We own.
mbere ngo samaze kwishyira muri gahunda. iyo nyubako ubu yose turayifite.
No cover.
nta hantu wakwihisha ntaho wasohokera nta yandi mahitamo.
Why not make it quick?
waretse nka kwirasira ukanyihutishiriza akazi ko nawe uri buce.
God, you let the women live.
ngaho basi njye nyica ureke abana bagore bigendera amahoro.
Of
ibyo nta kibazo.
You give me a word.
umpaye ijambo ryawe.
I die. They're free to go.
njye ureke mfe mubareke bagenda amahoro.
Alive?
alive.
Absolutely.
cyane rwose.
You're lying.
nimurambeshye.
No.
cyangwa arimo nakubeshye. arimo nakubeshye.
Sam, I think you've been doing this job too long.
erega tama akazi nkakoze igihe kirekire ntabwo wambeshye.
You've forgotten what sincerity actually sounds like. You're
kandi ntabwo
fucking lying.
urimo urambeshya.
Too.
ndabizi ntabwo urabica.
Oh dear. I sense disapproval from the cheap whore I
ndabona
sent
rwose nawe gakobwa gaciriritse karimo karakugira inama
to relax you.
I am not cheap.
ntabwo ndaciriritse.
Tam, you want me so bad?
hasi temu niba ushaka kunyica cyane
Why don't you come up here and do it your fucking self?
waje wawe ukanyica n'ibiganza byawe.
Sorry, Sam. I think not.
tamuyangane ntabwo ariko mbyeka cyawe sampo baraza ku ntebe irimo kakanyabwoba karaparika baraza ku ntebe yandatawe nawe gitara cy'amahanga kuyawe mukobwa tajyare mu rubavu mbona nawe guma hasi yakomeretse ihangane umva urabajya kumukoresha agatego ihangane barashireba kugira ngo uriya mukobwa yikanga abe mu bwihisho bamwongeramo yewe data Mona tuza.
Alright, I'm gonna do something.
arashinje gukora
When I go, he's gonna be shooting at me.
ngiye kugenda namara marasa njyewe
You pull him in the safe.
nawe unyara ukure lili umujyana ahantu atekanye bamukurura inyuma
Say, when I say, you ready?
ubikore kandi mbivuze uriteguye ndabusha n'ubundi barangurikiza amasasu avayo maniga we tata we ayo tata we filibira afunga amarido afunga amaridos yewe amarido aribana bicanyi baraha
Fuck!
mwanda umva ndeba
Gonna be okay, okay?
uramera neza
We're gonna get out of here.
uramera neza
Watching him with all
tugomba tuve hano sibyo mana we lili bicanyi ziraha telefone irasona.
This is Ken's skill set, not yours.
aterega ibi byose birimo birabane mugenzi wawe bipanze Kenny.
Stop embarrassing yourself.
Erega kwitesha umwanya Kenny ni uzi uburyo sniper uburyo wamukwepa wikwita umwanya.
Replace me with a fucking moron who can't hit shit.
abashaka kunsimbuza bose ntago bampima kandi nabaso.
Lady friend Spine feels differently.
ate ibyo muri ibwira nuko ikizere ariko ntacyo natandukaniro bitanga.
She's dying, Sam. You know that.
Umukobwa arimo arapfa Sam kandi nawe urabizi.
Just stop it. It's over.
mva rekera guhangana byarangiye.
She was dead the moment she set foot in there.
aterwa umukobwa n'ubundi akinjira muri iyo nyubako yaramaze gupfa kare.
Risk your life and nothing.
n'ubundi mashini muzango mu byango n'ubundi mva nkubwiza ukuri. aba bakobwa akimara kwinjira muri iyo twe twashyize kuri liste y'abapfu. bari nka ya filime ya Walking Dead barapfu bagendaga.
Dead, you know it.
mwese muri abapfu urabizi.
Why keep torturing yourself?
wikwibabaza.
The other side of this, you know how it ends.
nawe uzi uko birangira.
Open area.
hano ahantu hafunguye naho kwica hari.
No cover.
oya naho kwica no cover. sengera kagenzi ke.
You're not making it to your rifle.
reka n'ubundi ahantu uri ntabwo uri bugere ku mbunda yawe. mbunda ngiriye hakurya muri case.
You can't get to the bar.
ntabwo wagera ku kabari.
The elevator.
nta nubwo wafungura esanseri.
Get out.
nta buryo ki wabona ubufasha.
End of story, Sam.
nkuru yawe yarangiye Sam.
Turtle up.
mani kura. batano. cyenda biforosa mugenzi we. bari baje kora ka mashaje uwa mbere iremoro Sam ibintu byakurangiranye. mani garangije fata cyaji crystal ball.
Hey, Mona. Mind if I use this?
aracazo ngoresha ikinazi cyawe.
That's why I have it.
niyo mpamvu ngifite ngiye kujya gikoreshwa.
For luck.
kubw'amahirwe. mani garangije.
For luck.
kubw'amahirwe. pima cya kamera. baratangiye. ya mbere ivaho mudabaza ajya kugira umujinya. urebe kamera ya mbere barayikubye. urebe
I was trying to keep this clean.
Sam ibintu arimo arashaka kubijyana mu nzira nzima. umujinya urazamuka.
Out of respect for you, Sam.
rero kubwo kurenga kubaha Sam.
It's going to have to get real.
none katubigira ibya nyabyo.
Messy.
tubigira umwanda mwiza.
When I get out of this.
Tamara ndamuka mvuyana amahoro.
Gonna get out of this.
ni kandi ndabiziko ndi buhave. ndaza nkwibonere.
Trick. But I don't even think you believe that.
Sinzi ko nawe ubwawe uri kuvuga byizeye. Arakupa. Nakubwiye ngo wabaye umusirikare rimwe. Mutima horori wa wundi. Mona wihangana ku inshuti yawe.
22.
Ko bwarafite imyaka 20. Yarakiri umwana. Ewe. Buriya nta musirikare ujya ucikira ajya bavuga ati no kukuka kanyuma nakora ibitangaza dukora iki nonaha.
We wait.
Dutegereze.
We can wait long enough for the sun to come up.
Tukategereza bukarinda buna cyapaka izuba rirashe.
Guys.
Kubera ko izuba riramutse rirashe nkurikije iyi nyubako iri mu burengerazuba bw'amajyepfo bivuze ngo izuba rirasira kuri yo.
Best you got?
Nibyo winyireje se? Ya nibyo nakwizeza dutegereze izuba rirasa.
Assuming tomorrow hasn't sent up any more assets, and that's a pretty fucking big assumption.
Bivuze ngo tamara mu gihe izindi ngabo zicukura esanseri twatake twategereza.
So usually that's you on the other end?
Ntabwo mbaga ryo baherezo se.
That's you.
Urumurashinga bariya cyane. Nindi shooter.
Thinking.
None waba uzi cyo umurashi mugenzi arimo aratekereza. Nimba uri umusniper iri muri situation nk'iyi uba uri gutekereza iki?
Yeah.
Ukobwa aramubaza.
He knows what you are thinking.
Rero niba uri na wari sniper nkawe nabashaka kwaza ibyo muri atekereza. Nkuko uvuze ngo dutegereze izuba ribarasireho. Ubwo bari muri southwest amajyepfo y'uburengerazuba tukaba turi muri east. Bivuze ngo izuba rirasa kuri etage turiho rirasa hakurya.
Yeah.
Nawe ari matekereza nk'ibyo nekereza.
Isn't he worried about the sunrise?
Ese rateka nawe adahangakijwe nuko izuba riri burase?
Not at all.
Ntabwo ari byo ari gutekereza.
Why not?
Kubera iki cyatuma atabitekereza?
Because he figures we're gonna run before then.
Kuko we azi yuko turi bwirukanga mbere yuko rirasa.
Figures we won't be able to wait it out.
Abasniper barambirwa vuba kenshi yicaye ahantu hamwe.
Even if we do wait till the sun comes up, by then we're gonna be cold and sore, cramped up, and
maniga ifite icyizere.
Yeah.
What is he thinking right now?
None azatekereza ari gutekereza iki?
Oh, right now he's gonna be pissed.
Byanga byakunda arabanza agira akantu ko kuyaga mu mutwe.
See, this was supposed to be a 10-second job. 1, 2, 3, bang.
Akenshi umusniper wese aba arimo arabara amasegonda atarenze 10 buri kanya ubara amasegonda 10. Iyo uje gukora akazi k'umusniper uvuga ati mu masegonda 10 ndabanisha umuntu ncomoke. Iyo rero bigiye kuba ukabona akazi kamaze isaha 2 3 umuntu ugomba kwica araho ureba ubanza kuyaga.
I wanna fucked all that up for them tonight.
Atirangi akazi nagakoze.
The longer we wait,
uko tegereza cyane,
the angrier he's gonna get.
Ati ni kuri ya musniper ari burakare.
But he's not hot. He's not raging.
Ntago ari bugira icyo bikoraho, ahubwo ubwonko bwe buratangira kubira cyane. Kuko umusniper wese iyo atinze gukora misiyo aba arimo aratakaza amanota.
He's calm.
Ubu yatuje.
He's cool.
Yashyize umutima hamwe.
See, it's a battle of wills. And he's determined to win. He's thinking.
Ati zintambara zibyizere kandi ari determined azari butsinde.
And the shot, the target, and the bullet.
Ubu umutima uri ku gipimo cye n'isasu.
It's pure. It's relaxing too. I know that's it.
Bagomba gutuza muri we.
Because there's nothing clouding your mind.
Nta kindi kimuri mu bwonko.
No bills. No worries.
Akenshi abasniper bana abantu biberaho nk'abazapfejo. Ntajya ahangayikishwa n'iby'isi. Awe ni kwa hoze. Nare kuri yawe ni umupfutu.
You're not.
Undamwe jagano na kirube muko. Nuko yemeze.
Could you do such things?
Wose abikora uti.
You just take life.
Nuko ni gute bikora uri aho umwambuzi w'ubuzima bw'abantu. Ubikora uti. Muna nawe umeze nk'umudahambana.
I need to get that rifle.
Nkeneye kubona ya mbunda yanjye.
They're coming. Take cover.
Barimo baraza. Ukuma huri. Taniga. Ato. Simbukira imbunda yi. Babimago no kurica. Zibure. Aragikupa. Arose arije masasi. Umbe sanse sanga imira zamuka. Kumbe kure sanseri. Baniga fungura hakuno. Kes. bohereje abandi bicanyi Tamara. Nakubwiye ku 6,000 byayo ku giti.net urya show kwezi kose. Na biri ku cyumweru. Boyika yitonze nawe. Ararodinga. Bicanyi killer. Yahoze muri ekipe y'abicanyi ashaka kuva mu mukino. Baravuga ati umusenzi abaramutse abonye ni kampani akorera yatumara. None bamwereje abicanyi. Killers. Oh! Yitonze. Yakupte za fizibure. Mugabo avayo abanza kuryama hasi. Urebe filimi. Areba muri ya etage iri mu mwicanyi. Hano harurebera sniper. Jisho rihora urindi. Target. Oh! Bagabo. Bare kuri moto. Nakubwira cyane premier wumva. Chabita umuriro. Je wadatawe. Bare kuri moto. Iremoro cyangwa yapfuye ne konepa. Oh! Nakubwiye bitana tujya. Ukubita iki whisky. Aramukongeza. Bongera y'umuriro. Inzi sasa. Hana itangira kuri imyotsi. Tayare. Chabita umwoto we. Bice nziraha. Target. Masasu we. Baya. Buba. Pataga kobwa.
Let go of that!
Shira mukobwa hasi muri kadende.
Drop it!
Shira muda hasi.
Drop it! Okay.
Sawa. Okay, sawa.
Drop the weapon!
Shira muda hasi.
Stay calm, don't hurt.
Sawa nga basta bazu mukobwa reka. Shira muda hasi.
Alright, let's take it easy.
Bigenze gake.
Putting the rifle down.
Shira intwaro hasi. Gake. Sibyo? Kumbe hano ikicanyi.
Don't do anything.
Nicyo bari barapima ntabwo bari kumureba neza yakihishemo. Target. Buba. Nanyuje. Hano. Bagabo. Kibana y'icyuma. Kimwe yatwitse.
Fuck on fire!
Musenda chomesha unchome. Bagabo tayari. Yawe. Mucho. Yawe.
Come on.
Kwira. Hasigaye sniper spotter wiwe bamuhaye kare. Hashenzi sha. Ururuzingwa rw'umwonjo. Kabana babano. Ificho.
Thank you
Wakoze.
for saving my life.
Kubwo kuntabarira ubuzima.
I told you. That's why I do this.
Nabikubwiye ibintu byo nkora.
To protect people.
Nje ndinda abantu.
When did you become a soldier?
Wabaye ryari umusirikare?
You know, when those two planes went into the towers, the World
Ati ubwo za ndege ebyiri zanjaga muri
Trade Center
za Twin Tower.
came down.
Ndege basinyaga World Trade Center.
It scared the shit out of me. That's why I enlisted.
Nebwo nayo nemeye kujya kuri lista bajya mu gisirikare. Nari mfite 18.
Shit.
Nta kintu nari nzi.
I wanted to do something that meant something, you know?
Nagiye mu gisirikare dusa nkaho tugiye guhangana na Al-Qaeda.
Did 4 tours.
Nakoze tour enye. Afghanistan, Iraq.
Found out I was pretty good at it.
Nati nabonye ko ari byo nshoboye.
Signed me up for this
Nabuze umuryango wanjye ubwo basenyaga ziriya nyubako.
thing.
Ndaba kujya muri kano kazi.
We had to do things we weren't supposed to talk about.
Ati twemeye gukora ibintu tutashobora no kuba twavugisha iminwa yacu.
Met Ken.
Nibwo naje gura na Ken. Nibwo nabonye ko ari abantu bakiri bazima muye na Ken.
Felt like we were busting through all the red tape and doing things that we were told the politicians didn't have the will or even the guts to do, you know?
Ati twakoze akazi mugenzi w'abapolitisi batubwira gukora. Bo ubwabo bakumva ko nawe ni umuntu wamenye ibyo dukora.
To see things in black and white back then.
Twavuye mu gisirikare ko batugira aba private contractors ku buryo baduhaga akazi kujya kurasa ibyebe mu buryo bw'ibanga. Twakoze cyitwa ama black operations, black ops.
But there right now.
Ati ibyo ari job yacu.
Doing the right thing.
twumva ko turi gukora ibintu bijyanye nabyo ariko mu nyuma barashaka kudukoresha nk'abacakara nta burenganzira bwo kuhava muri kano kazi.
It's a lot harder when it's your ass in the crosshairs.
Nibwo byaje kundenga mu myaka ya 18 ndajoininga. Nibwo joining the force.
And I may as well be.
Ati Didi yapfuye naje akurikira mu kanya.
And my daughter.
Kandi umukobwa wanjye.
Who will provide for her once I'm gone?
Ese nimpfa ndi uzamwitaho.
I have money.
Ati mfite amafaranga.
We're out of here. We'll get you both out of the country.
Kandi nzabavana muri gihugu. Turabapfuye ibitindaho.
You said so yourself.
Nawe ubwawe wabyivugiye.
You know what he's thinking and
nawe uzi ibyo uriya sniper arimo atekereza.
He knows your every move.
Kandi azi n'intambwe zawe n'ibyo upanga.
We're trapped here.
Bisa nk'aho twafungiwe.
Way out.
Bategewe hano oya.
There's a difference.
Hari itandukana n'uvuga yuko twafungiwe hano nta buryo bwo kusohoka. Hari itandukaniro.
What?
Irihe? What difference?
Better at this than he is.
Ati ndi umuhanga kurenza uriya sniper.
I can just get to my rifle. It's over for him.
Ati namutageze ku muda yanjye Tamara byabira nako Lily byabirangiye.
Tamara knows that.
Kana Tamara arabizi. Ngeze ku murange gato byabirangiye.
Give me your hand.
Bamereza ikiganza cyawe. Asoma ibiganza.
What?
Kubera
You're a killer.
uri umwicanyi.
And a survivor too.
Kandi uri survivor.
A very good one.
Kandi uri umuhanga muri byo.
The palms never lie.
Inaga ibiganza bijya bibeshya.
Lie.
Uri umuntu urokoka intambara kenshi gashoboka. Bantu barabeshya, people lie. Palms don't. Bantu barabeshya ibiganza bijya bibeshya. Uri umupambanyi. Rangije.
This is my daughter.
Uyu ni umukobwa wanjye, Milena.
The address is on the back.
Adresse y'umwana wanjye iri inyuma.
Yes. If I die.
Ndamutse mpfuye uzamwereke uzamushake.
And help her.
Umufashe.
Money, school,
amafaranga y'ishuri buri kimwe. Everything. Help her. Please. Everything. Do it for her.
Talk like this.
Wivuga amagambo nkayo.
Trust me.
Kena wakunyizera.
I'm not a trained soldier.
Ntabwo ndi umusirikare watojwe.
You are.
Niwe watojwe igisirikare.
And my daughter.
Kandi mukobwa wanjye.
My daughter cannot survive on her own.
Ntabwo umwana wanjye yakwishoboza kuba muri iyi si. Ntabwo surviving a struggle z'iyi si.
If you get your gun. You.
Ndagufasha kubona imbunda yawe.
Milena.
Kandi nawe usezera kuzafasha umwana wanjye Milena.
Promise.
Sezeranya, promise.
Not with words.
Atari amagambo.
But with your heart before God.
Ubanze umutima wawe imbere y'Imana.
And make it real.
Kandi uzabigira ibya nyabyo.
I promise.
Ndagusezeranya.
Before God.
Imbere y'Imana.
I will protect her with everything that I have.
Nzamurinda na buri kimwe cyose nzaba mfite. Kandi nzamuha buri kimwe cy'umubyeyi wese yaha umwana we.
Okay.
Kandi uzongera umubone.
We're gonna get out of this.
Ibi turabicamo turahava turi bazima. Je te promets. Ikimenyetso nabika agafoto. Wowe atanagufasha. Buja. Mbe sanseri. Ara bandi baje. Maniga vuba. Yinje sanseri. Sniper bana ham senza rancitse. Yakuranga ba sniper mwabasenzi mwe. Kigabo ni kinini. Baragigira. Kigabo ni igisore. Kigabo cyarakuze. Kirangije. Kirahora. Kigabo ni rukuru. Cyawe. Sniper. Akabona ko nakiyambira ari kigabo. Cyarakuze. Yabore mugabo wanyawe akabaye n'amaso. Ndimo nakwica. Wicande. Atamasara yakanda. Senza nganza amaso. Tayari. Yawe. Sarangije. Mugabo vayo. Habuze gato. Wa musenzi we. ifungura sanseri kumbe yavanye amapiri muri gurunadi ayiwe tayare chebwe tata boy agabo tayari baraga harugo hayiryo munda kumbe wa mukobwa mona
I can't.
Ndishe
For my Milena.
kubwo umwana wanjye Milena ariko yari tata bugenga tata we kubwo umwana wanjye yari yahagaze munda oya maniga ndishyiramo ndangije barebana ndekuri sasu darangara bisikana bayise ndekava yewe tata we oh bandi mana arabivuganye oya
Why did you do that?
koze ibiki
Why did you do that?
kuki ubikoze kuki ukoze biriya
Run.
twakabaye twirukanse umwana wanjye Milena iki basi uzamuncungire umushyize mu biganza byawe uzamuhe ubuzima bwiza, give her a better life, ubuzima bwiza burenze ubwo tukaba turimo, uzamwigisha gusurvivinga muri iyi si. Ntabwo nabikora, uzagira ibyiringiro, have faith. At palms never lie, ibiganza nibyo bibeshya. Bakiraho kumbe Ken.
Jesus Christ, Ken, I thought you were dead.
Nyamurutirigongo. Ken akuka karacyarimo.
No.
Let's. Wibuja.
No, we gotta go.
Wibuja tugomba tuva hano.
Move my fucking legs.
Nago najana babuja.
Fucker got me through the spine, man.
Bana chemurutirigongo amaguru yabaye paralize.
Move me, man.
Nago nabuja.
I can't move.
All right.
Nago nabuja.
Okay.
Samwana.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Anda.
Look at you, bro.
Banzaire muvandimwe.
Shot through the spine. They can't get you. You're fucking
Mwana barashe murutigongo ariko nago bakurangije umwana.
star.
Bana cyara rockstar.
It's about time you noticed, man.
Man cyo jembe menye.
Sorry about Mona.
Wihangane kubwa Mona.
She's a good woman.
Yari umugore mwiza.
She saved my life.
Man, I'm sister yantabaye.
Yeah, I know.
Ndabizi.
Now you have your answer, don't you?
Atu bufite ibisubizo.
So what?
Ekis.
Why someone would give their life for some undeserving piece of shit, huh?
Mwana kesha ari gihe atanga ubuzima bwe kabandi bakwiye amahoro.
Save someone they love, right?
Yeah.
Ese umuntu itanga ubwo bakunda cyangwa.
You know what?
Razi.
I always knew you'd fall for the first hooky you spend the night with.
Atenaize ko n'ubundi umutima uzatwarwa n'umuntu muzahura ijoro rya mbere ari umukobwa.
You're a cripple, right? Otherwise it beats your fucking ass for that.
Ngenzi Ken amasaha yose yiburaga muri blague.
Fuck.
Sniper wamvanye mu nzira. Kanjye afata imbunda ye.
No, man. Just fucking go without me.
Man, winjana ndeka mwana ndeka.
Do you understand me?
Ntago nagusigana mwana wanyumva.
I'm leaving you here.
Ntago nagusigana.
The elevator, the lobby, the stairs.
Mwana ntago twaza manuka n'ubundi esanseri mu abasirikare buzuye hasi bose.
Fortify our position.
No.
Byanga byaguruko byagenda kose ntago twaca muri esanseri. Baradufite. Mukuru ramuzana hakuno.
I can't get up.
Muzana muri cya cyumba. Muzana hakuno. Aiwe.
Good news is, you're right about these sheets.
Man, nkuru ziza nuko yamashoka tuyafite ya silk.
Do it again. Are you fucking kidding me?
Man, kwa ya technique muri Beirut.
Faith, no.
Icyizere.
Work.
Ntabwo byakora. Kiraho telefone irasona.
Tamara, she's behind this.
Umva mwana, Tamara ni inyuma ya byose mwana. Mabuja nawe tugambaniye.
That's why I was so heated you were tired.
Ya n'ubundi ntabwo yarashyushye mu mutwe kubera ko ashaka kuva mu kazi. Ntabwo yabishakaga. Itaba.
Hey Tam.
Bete Tam.
You still hiring?
Rachakodesha bicanyi.
New team.
Kawe ni mapangu shinga ikipe shaki. Kero rachari muzima se. Mwana kabisa urakomera ntabwo uri mwiza wo kwica.
Such a cunt.
Umusiko wa mugore we.
Well, congratulations, gentlemen.
Felicitation bagabo.
You just leveled up.
Ubona abazamu rwose muri level.
What are you talking about?
Navuga ibikisi.
Yes, shit.
No mwanda koko.
Shit.
Mwanda ukomeye.
From up top.
Atiro nabayicenyizanye.
Priority target.
Bamwe bamaze kuzamuka besikare bari hafi kubageraho. Esazeri mwayiturikije. Ureba neza.
Be what I think it is.
Abandi nohereje. Sinzwe muri block izo drone. Kumbe. Kwa mudamu. Yabohereje drone sasa. Ziri himbunda. Turore. Mudamu arava kwizima. Ya mu kindi cyumba. Tamara nava kwizima. Basore babaraje izo drone. Manega yitonze. Avayo. Ebye magazine asigayemo. Manega afashe cya gishuka. Deba drone. Irabanza gascanninga. Ndakura. Yesasu. Nongera aragaruka. Ntabwo yabayikoreye ibisasu bibiri. Tarakururayo. Banza kubura stability uburinganire neza mu kirere. Gihiri rya kabiri kamera. System itangira kujyamo akabazo. Tayari. Pima hani kinuza. Wa AC. Tayari. Manuka busazi. Hararirwa gaze. Kajyaga pan. Bajia. Namutse ngo bajia namutse ngo iki? Let's go. Bane tugira abandi basirikare batezamo.
Drones down.
Bane drone iri hasi. Kugera hano yasanze Kenny yakarenze. Mushuti sura yerurutse. Bane basirikare manigara arafutia gishoka cya siliki arihambira neza. Vayo.
Shit.
Nganda. Aiwe.
Okay, Ken.
Sawa Ken.
Hey. I'm in your hands now, brother.
Ndi mu biganza byawe muvandi. Yamukoreye umutaka muri yashuka nibyo adagwa mu mafashuka silk ngo bakomeye najya apfa gucika.
Oh shit.
Nangije. Maniga gize gutya. Bari nabikoze. Birakunze muvandimwe. It worked. Nabikoze mwana. Ken yasigaye muri etage. Bari no murejeni. Kumbe gishuka. Tayari muri Mondays. Nganda. Kubese mwikamya mwenzangu.
Verification received loud and clear.
Wabigenze neza. Ora ku kimenyetso. Mwenzanga ririkira. Kumbe hakuno mjini mgazi Tamara. Hakuno.
I am a long way
Arabavuganaga
from verifying that.
Ati ndi kure yo kubiverifia.
You may be closer than you think.
Ati Tamara ashaka kunyegerera birenze kubikeka. Bisi baze kwicuma.
It's boring now, Sam.
Sam byivuga biri kuba wa. Ahubwo urabeho tuzasubira. Tamara mugenzi yagambaniye ba Sam barakoranye neza. Tamara yinjiye mu bwiherero hari uwaje akora amasuku nawe yinjiye aho Tamara yinjiye. Babagasi umvara ikivuze mindani kumbe kakana harakana hano mugenzi kari kureba amafoto ya Mona kuko akarebaga amafoto wa munyamasuku yaraje afata kana kumbe maniga ibyo yasezereje Mona yarabikoze. Yaraje afata kana ke meze neza yemera ko abera umubyeyi. Naga filime ndaceka ruko kageze bayita kate cover ya the premiere for real. Abaje mwakoze kuzamura abana bakunda cyane nakugene mu bitandatu ku giti ukwezi kose karya sho nabawe ndetse na 2 ku cyumweru. Abaje mwakoze kuza na Star Vista